Don't tell me that bullshit. So this is you. This is who you are.
I was going to tell you about it.
This is who you are. I left my woman for you and you betrayed me and got her pregnant.
Calm down, Desmond. Calm down.
What do you mean calm down? Why should I calm down? Okay.
Listen. I told you. Ify has been so mad at me. She stopped talking to me. You know, ever since we got married, I refused sleeping with her, and that led her into depression. Then my friend came from nowhere, took advantage of the whole situation, and got her pregnant. It was my friend that got Ify pregnant, not me.
Your friend got her pregnant?
Yes. Amobi got her pregnant.
So, who's that?
So, it is all a lie. This marriage is a prank. You used me just to achieve your aim. You messed my life up.
And beautiful, not a flower or a tree, much prettier than that, and only I can see, loving and caring down to the core, filling me with happiness and so much more. Eyes are so stunning. Yes, it is. Cannot look away. Gorgeous and shining all through the day. Here in your arms where I belong, the beating of your heart is like beautiful song.
This is so beautiful.
Wait till I finish.
You composed this for me?
Yes. A lot. I have like a book where I compose a lot for you.
The words are so touching. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me because I'm crazily in love with you, Ify.
I love you too. You're my one and only. My pride, the most intelligent among men.
The most beautiful I've ever met, ever seen, ever been with.
Thank you.
Let me continue. So you...
See, I have to be going. My mom, she'll be looking for me by now.
You don't think I should finish this?
My lover, I'll see you later. I'll see you maybe tomorrow, okay?
All right, let me see you up there. Okay. Oh, you have to keep it.
Yes, I will. I love it. Oh, so much love.
Because you deserve everything good and even more.
Mama. Mama, we're back.
No, we're back.
Ifeanyi, this is the money you owe your school for allowing you to write the exam. They're threatening to have me arrested.
Mama, she actually told me about it.
Yes.
And I'm already working towards it.
Yes.
And I'm thinking, I'm already on it, so...
You are working and thinking.
No,
so that is all you have to say, okay?
No, Mama, you're getting me wrong. I said like she told me so...
Let me get it right, Biko. You are working, thinking when the money will come, okay? Anyway, Mazi Uchagu came and gave me the money.
Wow. Mama, that's... What did you say? Why did he give you the money?
Well, I made a promise to him, which is why he gave me the money and saved me from being arrested, since I have no one to help me. So, you know how the principal covered for you. Good. So this is the money from your JS3 to your WAEC. Oh, yes.
He did well.
Yes,
that means I will now return it to him.
Yeah.
You will now return it. Jidile, I'm not talking to you.
Mama,
You have no say in this.
Mama, it's fine. But Mama, what promise did you make to him?
That you are going to marry his son, Ejike. What?
Mama, you're joking, right?
Does he look like a joke to you? My friend, collect this money and go give it to your principal. He's waiting.
Mama, there's no need for giving
Now
it
let
to
me get
principal. Like I said, I will sort it out now. I'm already working towards it. Why will you collect money from me?
You will sort it out. My friend, collect this money from me. You, if you lose this money, you will go to prison. Hey, man.
Mama, there's no need doing it.
I'm not taking this money to the principal. I'm taking it back to Mazi Uchama.
No, I don't think that's the best option. Because you know what's at stake. It means that you and your mom will go to jail.
Baby, I cannot marry his son. My mom should have thought about it before accepting this. Please.
It's because she knows, obviously, that I have nothing to offer now. I can't even pay her back now.
She knows you were there in the picture. She knows I have you. So why did she accept in the first place?
The thing is, if nothing is done based on paying the money, the agreement you people had before lending that money to you people, that's just the problem. If your mom had known, she wouldn't have made such agreements, signing it even that. If it's not provided, if the money is not provided, you people go to jail. She wouldn't have signed such thing. And the principal I know is very, very wicked. He's wicked.
Don't you think the principal will give us time? He'll give us time to pay now.
Yeah, you don't even know what kind of problem is this right now.
There's nobody we can borrow from. I can't afford to lose you. I can't marry any other person. Or you.
I'm not going to
please.
I'm not going to lose you.
Just do something. Don't let this happen. Please.
We'll look for a way, okay? We'll look for a way. Just that I can't figure out right now, but I believe we'll look for a way, okay? Amazing.
Wow. It's morning already. Hey. Hey, you. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Call your account number. Let me do the needful so you get out. Hey. Wake up, wake up. Ah. Stand up, Joe. No, cannot sleep. You're sleeping. Wake up. What's that your name, Seth? I don't even know if you have a name. Wake up now. I don't have time. She had so much to drink or what? How many rounds did I go again? Just 3 rounds. See the way she's sleeping like a log of wood. If I had gone my normal 16 rounds, I'd die for day. I say wake up, wake up. I said wake up. What's this now? Babe, wake up, yeah, wake up, wake up. I said, wake up now. Hey! What kind of place is this one now? No possible. Hey! What's happening like this? Too much alcohol happened at the naked. Oh. See, stop this nonsense. What kind of place this one now? Eh? This generation, every time you people are in the mood of doing prank. See, I'm not in the mood of this prank shit though. I beg you. Ha! Hey! No. Ha! What's it? Let me call Amobi first. I don't know why he hasn't called me this one. Amobi, come my room now. Something is up. Wait. First of all, those girls who did there, you don't discharge them. And this babe now, she refused to wake up. I don't know. They try to wake the babe up. She no one wake up. Come first. Hurry, come. And hurry. This is not a dream now. If not a dream, I don't wake up by now. What's kind of problem with this now?
My son, what is it? You look sad. Can you on?
Mama, it's nothing, I'm fine.
You're fine like this? You know you can talk to me. What is it? Talk to me, Biko.
Mama, nothing, I'm okay.
Yeah. You're okay like this? I'm your mother. I know you too well. And you know you are the only thing I have left since after losing your father. I will not want anything to trouble you. Please, my son, talk to me.
Mama, nothing. It's about Ifeyinwa.
Ifeyinwa? What about her? Is she alright?
Ma, she's alright. Just that the mom wants to marry her off to Mazi Uchago's son. All because of the debt. The money they borrowed them sometime for her school. So now they couldn't pay back the money. So the man is pushing for her to marry his son.
I warned you. I know this is bound to happen for your inability to provide for her.
It's not about her.
She's of age to get married. And you cannot expect her poor mother not to give her to a man that can provide for her.
Mama, I don't understand. So where do you really stand? Are you standing on me or are you standing against me? Are you standing for me?
I'm telling you the bitter truth. And I will keep telling it to you again and again.
Mama, you know what? Just continue with what you're doing. This is why I didn't want to open up to tell you. Let that girl
go. Let her go. You are struggling. Mano galanya sinachi. Be patient and wait for your God to answer you.
Mama.
Then you cannot get married.
Mama, just continue with the... I said I didn't want to tell you.
Biko,
I didn't want to tell you. You kept forcing me. Now see what you're saying. Please continue with what you're doing, please.
I'm telling you.
This babe no gree wake up. This babe no gree wake up. Wait.
No possible. Lash the eye.
What's it come by her now? No be the usual drink they drink. We she drink. And I know they too hard on you.
Don't keep person daughter.
Don't keep person daughter. Don't be all of us follow inside this hotel at the same time. Don't the same drink we drink. Even the same night. Just 1 or 2 hours ago now.
Guy, what you go do in a hotel with you? These people find out you don't cast off. Fuck. We don't cast off if they find out. Person don't enter internet be that too.
What do we do now? What do we do?
Guy, think now. I call you, make you listen. You ask me what do we do? Think now.
We might think, relax. Just calm down, relax. Chiki. Okay. I remember. You get one social guy where I get. You get a bad guy, but you get around for a colonel, like in a top military now. Now only that guy here boss right now. We get level where
you take Kana. You have a soldier on top person we die, civilian we die, they go cost you will trust me.
Chiki, listen to me. The guy does dirty deals for me. I trust him 100%. He's the only one that can help us in this situation. That's the only thing I can think of now. He's the only one that can move this guy out of here without any trace. They can't question him. He's a top rank in the military. Soldier. I trust him. The only thing that happens is we're not getting paid, that's all. We pay him. He get this done and that's all. Let me call him, okay? Just relax.
Can you trust this soldier? You trust
relax,
him?
I trust him. I'm not going to get him. Why? You won't go say? You won't go jail?
Go for big. But soldier. Hey, guy. Please, sir.
Hello. Different, boss. Thanks. So what happened? Like I explained to you on the phone, they had fun and the next thing, I think she just died. So what do you want make I do for you? We just want you to help us whisk out of here, like escape us from here without any trace. I beg.
I go run them, but you go cost now, you know how far.
Yes.
Bro, you sure say maybe you keep this?
No. My friend is innocent, please.
1 million.
No wahala.
You will pay.
Mama, I'm not getting married to Ejike. There is no way I'll get married to that hooligan.
That hooligan has a rich father who has kept me away from jail. If not for him, I would have been in jail by now.
Oh, Mama, you don't with Desmond.
And who is Desmond? Have I not warned you not to mention that name in this house? Have I not? What has he done for you?
I love him.
You love him? But I told him the situation we have at hand. What did he do? He said I was worried. Would that worry put food on our table? Will he bring money?
Mama, just give him time.
Time?
Yes.
What are you talking? What time are you talking about? Don't mention that idiot's name here in this house again. Do I make myself clear?
Mama, you've always been against Desmond. Admit it.
Me against poverty. You should know that I don't have anything against Desmond. Yes. The only problem I have with him is poverty. That's all. Yes.
Mama, I'm not getting married to Ejike, and that is final.
Whether you like it or not, you will get married to him. Do you understand me? Oh, you want to bring shame to my house, Abby? You want to bring shame to your mother? No problem. Since you don't appreciate all the good things I've been doing for you in this life.
You should be taking care of me, the education, everything.
You must marry him whether you like it or not. Nonsense. Different body. Anu Pama. Okwamuna you know na. Nsogbu adiro.
Desmond, how are you?
I'm just there.
I'm going to the farm. I thought you'd be coming with me. Let's go, oh?
No. I'm not in the mood for any farm now. I'm not going.
What happened? Enna, calm down. Calm down. No matter what it is, you're not God that created you. When it's time for you, He will come for you.
Mama, the thing is, when is that time? When is that time? When is time? Is it until I live this life? Is that when God will come through?
God forbid. You will not die.
Mama, this one I'm living, is it life?
Hey.
This thing now I'm living as a man, that you're living without money. What you're supposed to do, you cannot do it. You cannot even take care of your mother. You cannot do anything. To crown with all, the woman that you love so much is trying to leave me because of money. And you're saying, what am I living for?
No.
Is it not better I just leave this life?
Bikunu. Oh, Mwam. calm down. Biko, if it is God's will that you will marry Ifenyinwa, He will provide the money. If it's not His will, there are many other beautiful girls you can choose from.
Mama, please, I'm not in the mood for this preacher.
Desmond, come back. Where are you going? Calm down, oh, Desmond, calm down. I'm telling you now, Biko Nam, calm down.
Oh my love,
Desmond.
I will wait for you. No matter what my mama said, I will see this true. You are the one I need. My heart beats for you. I will wait forever.
Okay, have fun now. Make I bring more bottles for you. This is why they ask you whether make I bring more bottles. They do her like this. Oh, wow. Maybe me do you. If you don't want to buy, make it they come out for my shop, I beg.
Mama! Mama! Oh! Where's Mama? Mama, but I go home. I've delivered everything you said I should. Yes, you're back. Mama. Did you see him? Who? Did you see him on your way? Hey, my Desmond. Bia. Onya Bukwa Desmond. I mean, Ejike, your husband to be. Didn't you see him on your way? Then, his father sent him to come and spend some time with you. But I told him you went for an errand.
Mama, I've said this before, and I am saying it again. I don't want to have anything to do with Ejike. Mama Rapumaka, I don't want him close to me. It's fine now.
Keep deceiving yourself. Yes, so you better get prepared though, because you are getting married to him on the 4th night, whether you like it or not. Nemo, oh yes, now that you're back from errand, you better go and visit him. Bia. Ify, where do you think I'm going? You better do as I've told you. Ifeanyiwa.
Desmond, my guy.
Chike. Chike.
My guy.
Chike.
That's so. One name.
It's a lie.
It's a true. This is me.
Chike.
Yes, I came into the village.
Jesus Christ.
This is me. This is me. So you're still in this village? I thought you... By now you must have traveled outside.
You thought there's nothing to thought. Me, I've been in this village now. Where do I know I'm going to?
Yeah? I understand. Well, are you in a hurry to somewhere? Let's go chill out somewhere, my guy.
See my guy, you. Says you I just want to go and collect money. I farmed for someone just to collect.
Leave that money. Let's go and chill out somewhere. We have a lot to talk about. Balling. Desmond, I decided to return to the village to find a good woman. As a matter of fact, I already have a good woman. But here in the village, well-cultured and well-mannered. Hopefully, I am going to settle for my urina.
Urina. That your urina?
Yes, now. Yeah. That girl, I really missed her so much. Do you know all my years in the city? I couldn't meet any girl that is like her. So that's why I decided to come back to the village. Yeah, so. Oh, God, Diro. I'm a pen Maya now.
Okay. My man.
Urena, are you sure you'll not tell your mother about this?
Tell my mother? Are you serious right now? You want her to kill me? Is that your plan for me?
No. Oren, I'm scared. I don't want your mother to believe I'm the one advising you not to tell her.
Nothing is going to happen, okay? And it's going to be worse if I get to keep this pregnancy. I can't. I can't risk it. Oh, which man is expected to marry me carrying another person's child? It doesn't work that way. I have to get rid of it.
Oh, wait. You're going to do what?
You heard me.
Oh, God. Oh, this is risky.
I have to get rid of it.
Listen, Irina, I've warned you. I warned you about this, your promiscuous lifestyle, but you wouldn't listen. Now look at what it has landed you. Yeah, I don't want anybody accusing me of things I don't know about. Though.
Please, I really did not call you for this. What's that, Sif?
Irina.
What?
Where are you going?
I need to get rid of this pregnancy. Didn't you hear me?
Irina, this is risky.
Allow me to take the risk. I have to get rid of this. Let's go.
Irina, wait.
I can't keep this.
You reek of alcohol. Where are you coming from?
My friend, this is my friend. You know him. That came back from the city. That my friend, my best friend, Chike.
The fair one?
Chike just came back now. And he has plenty money now. He has money. Plenty. He's doing well in the city.
Okay. Can you ask him for the money?
Which money?
Money my mother collected from Mazuchama, please.
I'll tell him.
Please.
I just saw today, so we've not really sat down to discuss. But from tomorrow we'll discuss very well. I'll tell him.
Please, I don't want to marry his hooligan son. Don't let them take me away from you, please.
Nobody will take you away from me, okay? Nobody will do it. I'll make sure that I look for a way and raise the money.
Okay.
Don't worry, you don't have to be scared, okay? Let's go. Like I said, I was coming to see you, but now let's go, okay? Don't worry, nobody will take you away from me. Not when I'm still breathing.
Wait, let's rest. Let's rest.
Irina, are you sure you can go home like this? What will you tell your mother?
I don't know. I'll probably tell her I'm having menstrual cramps.
Cramps? Oh, Irina, this one is too serious. She will suspect something. She definitely will.
Why would she? I mean, so menstrual cramps comes with serious abdominal pain. She wouldn't. Moreover, it's best to have the way I've gotten rid of this pregnancy than bringing in an unwanted child into my family.
Well, me, I pray she believes you. I pray. I'm so sorry. I can't imagine the severe pain you're going through.
I am going through serious pain, Uchechi. I am going through my stomach. My stomach is burning.
I'm sorry. I never knew abortion can be this painful.
How about you carry microphone and tell the world that I had an abortion? Are you okay? Don't you know how to talk?
Sorry.
Please take me home. You're mad. You're still repeating it. See if I didn't hear you. Are you sure I won't stay in your house the rest of today?
Hello? Yes? It's me. You're speaking to, it's me, you're Desmond on the line. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, I'll come. I'll come. Sure, I will. Oh my God. God, you're wonderful.
Yure, it's nice to see you again. Actually, I came back to the village to be with you. I'm so sorry all this while I haven't reached out to you. Okay? How have you been?
So you've been in this village and you didn't even care to see me, to come to my house?
Hey, come on. I told you I just came back and I've been trying to reach out. But thank God we are here now. What's going on? You hope all is well.
I'm fine. I'm just the same way you dumped me.
Hey, don't say that, okay? Why will I dump you? Dump you for who? Do you know what? Let's go chill out somewhere and talk about this. But meanwhile, I need to let you know everything that happened back then in the city. It wasn't easy for me at all. You know how it is, relocating from one state to another. When I got to the city, I went through hell. But thank God, I am here. I made it. That's what matters, isn't it?
It wasn't easy for you that you had to switch off your phone. And you threw away your SIM card just so I wouldn't have a means to connect to you.
I just told you I went through hell in the city. Okay, hey, are you alright? You don't look too good. You having stomach bite?
You did not even say headache. I'm fine.
It's alright. I think you should sit down. Come into the car.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
It's alright. You just come in, okay? The weather is a little bit hot and you need to sit, okay? Come. It's okay. Come. Just come. It's alright. I'll get you water on our way home, okay? I think you need cold water, okay? It's alright. I will just go get you something to drink, okay? Water or something. It's alright. It's okay. Get in. Easy.
Hey,
Mama.
next month.
Mama, good news.
What is going on?
Ha!
Nam.
Mama, truly, God
God
works in a miraculous way, Mama. You remember that company job that I applied for last year?
Yes.
Not even last year, Mama. Since 3 years ago, I've been applying. But I told you about it last year. They finally called me, Mama. Finally called me that they've selected me.
Really?
That I should be coming to Bonny Island immediately.
Hey! I told you that your time will surely come. That God don't sleep. He doesn't sleep.
Mama, it's like a shock to me.
You see? Hey!
It's like a shock to me.
Thank you, Lord. Oh. Eh?
Mama, let me help you. Are you done? Let's be going home and celebrate.
Eh?
This is good news.
Very good news.
So you're finally leaving this village?
For good.
God has finally answered us.
Actually, it's a 3 years contract. After 3 years, all we have to ask God is for life.
Oh, God.
After 3 years, babe, the kind of money I'll come back to this village with. Eh?
I just want to scream. God has finally answered our prayers.
Of course, God has finally.
I'm so happy. But, baby,
But what?
you need to come explain to my mother.
Oh yes, I already had that in mind. Come and tell her the whole truth. At least now there is hope. If she can give me time, if she can be patient for at least 3 years, once I come back, I'll do the needful. That's what I intend to tell her. I just hope she will.
I'm so happy. Don't come here. I'm happy you're drinking a lot. We are celebrating.
But when I bought, when I wanted to buy, you said
Do you
you
know
don't.
what you wanted to say? I'm happy for you. I'm happy for us.
Mama, I'll be so happy to hear the news.
I just hope that she would at least. Oh, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama.
Desmond, 3 years is such a long time for me to keep my daughter for you. She is not getting any younger. I'm sure you know her age in 3 years' time.
Mama, I'll be 30, just 30.
Will you shut up your mouth? You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'll be just 30.
So you don't know that a woman that is 30 is heading to a menopause?
Mama, what you fail to understand is...
Tell me what I fail to understand.
The reason for me accepting to go for this is for our own good. And I don't care, even when I go and come back, I don't care if she's old or if she's wrinkled or if she's menopause. She's still my wife.
It will not work. When you come back, you look for another woman.
Mama,
she cannot wait
Mama,
for that long. I have made my point.
Mama, please, Mama, please.
What do you want me to say?
I'm like your son.
Son?
Please. It's not like I'm going there to spend the whole year. I'm just going to spend few years and I'll be back. Everything will be fine.
Few years. So my daughter will just cross her arms and be waiting for you.
Mama, she's my wife.
I have made my point. Read my lips. She's not going to wait for you.
Mama, why
when you return, look for another woman.
Bad to you, Mama? Mama?
Pick her up, Maka.
Mama?
Okay, Mama.
Mama?
I'll wait for you. Yes, Mama. Mama.
I've always known Uchenchi to be a difficult woman. I don't know what you fancy in her daughter.
Mama, it's love. You say you know that one, that is love. I've been talking of Ife Yunwa almost, in fact, all the time. You know it's love.
But you don't have money to marry her. So what are you going to do?
Mama, that is where you come in.
Yeah.
That is what I want you to do for me. Just help me beg the mother for me. Just beg her to be patient. I will definitely come and marry her daughter when I'm back. Let her just keep her for me. Please, just woman to woman, have that conversation with her. Please.
But you heard me say that Uchechi is a difficult woman. I'm not ready to beg her for anything.
Mama, it's me. Why not do it for me, please? Just help me tell her to be patient. I will be back. Of course, I will come back and do the needful. And this time in a bigger way. Just look for how to say it to her now. No matter how difficult she is, she will listen to you.
Then you should use your first salary to marry her.
Mama, I don't even understand this job. This job is not like that. This is the kind of job a lot of people live. In fact, everyone is looking for this job. So for me to get it is by God's grace. Now, where we'll be working is in the middle of the sea. And this place, we are not going out, we are not coming in. We are going to be there for 3 good years. But everything we need will be provided for us there. Now, after 3 years, Mama, the kind of money this oil people will pay me after 3 years. In fact, the kind of money I will make after 3 years, you will know that indeed God does not sleep. So, I just want to do it. Once I'm back, I will marry her. Explain these things to her. Explain these things to her, please.
So even I, your mother, will not see you until 3 years?
Mama,
is that what you're telling me?
Mama, that's the plan. But let me get there first. Who knows? But the people I know that have gone for such things, but let me see. Of course, me, I miss you too, and I want to come home before that time. But I've been here with you for how many years now? Nothing to show for it. So let me go. But my own is, please, Ife Yunwa, talk to the mother for me. Please, Mama.
I'll keep a beautiful girl waiting for you by then.
Mama, it's like you're not understanding anything I'm saying. Does it look like I've been blabbing? Is that what you think I've been doing here? I'm telling you, if it's not Ife Yunwa, don't. Mama, stop this thing now. You're just trying to get on my last nerves now. Which one is I'll keep order? Please, just do this thing for me. Please.
Rena. Rena.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I don't know.
Get into the car.
Rena.
Easy. Is she having
I don't know. Yes.
Get into the car, let's take her to the hospital. Will you tell me? What have you been doing in this village? Speak, tell me the truth!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I am sorry.
You haven't said anything yet. Don't touch me. Is it the first time you're taken in? I said, is it the first time you are taken in? No.
Chike, I was frustrated when you broke up with me. And it resorted to me selling my body for money, and then somehow I took in and aborted it today. Chike, please, I am sorry. Biko, no.
Stay away from me. Get out.
Chike, Biko, no.
You are no longer the woman I used to know.
No, Chike, I'm still the woman. Chike, please.
What a shame.
Chike, I never knew you would want to come back to my life.
Shut
please.
up. Piss off.
No, I'm sorry.
Get out.
Chike, Biko now.
I'm done with
Biko,
you.
no.
I'm highly disappointed at you.
I'm sorry. Let's make it work. Please.
Make what
We
work?
can
Get
make
out.
it work again. Chike, baby, Biko, no. Chike.
Wow. Desmond, I was more than shocked and disappointed.
You see, this is what I was trying to tell you that day. She's not the girl you used to know. Urena has changed. She's very popular in this village now. We all know her. They know her. If you want urgent quickie, it's Urena. The only thing remaining is to have signboard. You just put it in her house. Urgent quickie, contact me. We know her. You don't even need to take her to the house or hotel. Any location is location. Inside uncompleted, inside bush, anywhere. Urena will give it to you.
You mean Irina?
That one is old story now. Urena. Just even elders. One elder almost died on top of her one time. But we know how we now settled everything for her not to be excommunicated in this village. We know it's a normal thing. It's a normal this thing. So when you talked about Urena, I'm like, should I open up and tell my friend? Should I? Or maybe it's not time. But thank God, right now, you know for yourself. So it's good. Everything is open now.
How could she? She said she changed the moment I left the village and she was unable to reach me on the phone. Is that enough reason for her to change?
Sit that Keziah bomb on one place. What kind of stupid talking? So because you left her, she will now be prostituting. Is that an excuse? Leave her with that flimsy. That excuse will not fly at all. What kind of? Because you left her, so it's a criteria for her to be sleeping with anything on that trouser.
Hey, yeah? I never knew Rena has become urgent 2K, Bebo.
Even on credits. Anyway, let's leave that one. Let me give you the good news now. See your guy here. I got a job.
Huh?
Your guy got a job. LNG called me.
But LNG, that is
you firm now.
Wow! Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, my brother!
Thank you,
now wait till they talk small.
No, it's been long I put in for that, so but I've been praying to God that they will call. I just did here. Am I speaking to? I say yes. So they said you got a job.
Wow.
To start coming to Bonny Island. So I'm prepping very soon.
Okay, to go.
Yes,
wow.
Yes,
wow.
Sir.
This news has brightened up my day. I bet Moku go sit somewhere, drink now. Forget about this urine at all.
Sure.
Lock up, I beg.
Hi, Marina. I'm sorry for what happened.
Hi. Rayon has finished. Chike left me. Chike said he doesn't want to have anything to do with me again. Chike said he doesn't want me.
Marina, I warned you. I warned you about this, your lifestyle, but you wouldn't listen.
You want me. Now I'm regretting everything. You want me. My family sees me as a disgrace. They are not even proud of me. Where do I start? I feel like committing suicide. I feel like killing myself.
No, Urena, no. You will not do such. You will not. Listen, I still believe that you and Chike can figure this out.
Chike doesn't want to see me again. Chike said it's over. He doesn't want to have anything to do with me again. Chike said he doesn't like me again.
Urena, I heard that part. Okay, he's just been mad at you. But he will come around. I know him. He's not a mean person. Urena, it's okay. It's okay, please. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. It's okay.
Is it true? My popsy said you are going to be my wife. Or is he okay?
Are you talking to me? Huh? Mwanka Ifi will be your wife. What the making is? It's like you're mad.
Ifine, I didn't come here to double words with you. I better me back and now about words with you. But as long as my father has said that he paid some money Neni Sigi on top of your head, you are meant to come and be servicing me 1 or 2.
You're very shameless. And stupid at that. Negodugi, at your age, your father is making choice of a wife for you. Hooligan.
Are you insulting me? If you in a what would you do? If you don't know, if
Imagine, I say, what will you do? You beat me. See, in this world and in the next one, over my dead body, will I have anything to do with you? Do you understand?
If you're not if you're not
you don't know I'm okay, okay. If you take your time. I reject you in Jesus' name.
See, no matter what you do, you are my wife. You are my wife. Yes. Can't you do my popsy? You will be my wife.
I reject it in Jesus' name.
Bye for now. Popsy.
Go on. Let me be your wife. Go for it.
Let me be
You're the last man on earth. I will never be your wife.
Yeah, prepare now.
Desmond, what is going on? On our way to this place, I noticed you've been moody. What's wrong?
No, nothing really.
You can't tell me there's no problem. You have refused to eat or drink anything since we got here. So what is the problem? Talk to me, bro.
Brother, I'm in a serious fix right now.
Fix? What do you mean? Speak in a language I will understand.
Okay. You know my girl, the girl I've been with for a very long time. I think everyone knows.
That is Ife Inwa.
Thank you very much.
I hope she did not cheat on you.
Oh no. No, Ife Inwa is not like that your ex, so she can't do such.
Biko, don't talk about my ex. Don't talk about that bad luck.
Oh, sorry.
Go on, I'm hearing you.
Okay, so the thing now is we've been together, hoping for God to bless me, and we both understand that we both are praying for that to happen, so she's one woman that believes in my dream, and it's been going on like that till recently something came up. The mom came up with that she won't marry me, that she has to marry another man that is coming for her hand in marriage, or because of one debt or whatever. Like the story is plenty. And they must have to marry the man. Okay, how about the debt? Is it to pay the debt? I know that they signed that when they're supposed to pay the debt has passed. So the agreement is that she will have to marry, she has to marry the man's son. Like the story is plenty. Now, I have begged the woman to please be patient. Be patient that even she has spoken to the mother. Be patient that tomorrow is bright. And definitely, God will definitely bless us for me to make that money and do the right thing. You know, the woman refused though. The man insisted that she cannot keep her daughter. So as it stands now, I'm on the verge of losing the woman I love so much, all because of money.
Well, I understand what you're trying to say, but I think the mother should have considered giving you more time, you know, to travel and then come back. But I am going to borrow you the money, so you won't have to lose the love of your life, if you...
My brother, you know, that's the problem. I know there is nothing you cannot assist me to do. I know that you're dear for me. But you know that borrowing a man money to marry brings bad luck. And that's the tradition. That's our tradition. You don't borrow a man money to marry. Yes.
Yeah.
So it's something of, like, I've been thinking, what is the best way? What do I do? I've pleaded with this woman, at least here for Lofu, Abuga. There is a job now. It's just for me to go and come, and I'll do the needful. You know, the woman refused though.
But as it is now, we have to think and think fast. What do we do? What are you going to do?
Exactly. That brings me to what I've been thinking. I don't know if it's insane, but I think there's nothing impossible.
Share it with me.
Okay. So now, what I'm thinking is, I want you to marry her for me. No, wait first. Wait. I want you to marry her for me. You know, just to take her out from that family, out from her mother. Because I know she's in a safe hands. So when I'm done, like when I finish, it might sound insane, but I don't know what else. When I'm done, when I'm back, I will come and do what? Take my wife back. But at least to know that she's safe with you.
Well, listen, are you saying I should marry Ifeanyiwa and make her my wife?
Yes. Then when I'm done with my program, of course I'll be back and take my wife back.
This is insane, man.
I know, it sounds insane, but...
Wait, do you know if I marry Ifeanyiwa, your girlfriend, I might as well be... Like, you want me to sleep with your girlfriend?
You will not do that one now. What I'm saying is, you marry her and keep her. Why you be doing your... I know now, I know your way. You be doing other things, but just leave her for me. I know you can do it for me. I know.
Gosh, you really girl.
Because but the only option, I think that's what we have to do. If you marry her, you keep her while you're doing your other things, staying with your other, and then...
Desmond, this is the most insane request I have ever gotten from a friend so far.
I don't even know if it will be possible. I'm just thinking aloud, but in case. Because the agreement was the man that learned that they did the money transaction or whatever, that is meant to be the man's son, because they refused to balance up. So the agreement. But I feel if we push, we just take that man out of the picture. It's just you putting in... I know it sounds really awkward, but let me be the first person. In fact, let us be the first person to do it. Let it be known that we are the first person to do it. And it will work. I have strong hope and will that it's going to work. You know? Pico, please. Please.
You're leaving this weekend already.
The company said I should report immediately.
That's so sudden. what are we going to do?
I just wish there's something I can do. I really don't want to lose you, Ify.
I don't want to lose you too.
This is hard. This is hard. This means that this is going to be the end of our relationship.
No, don't say that, please. I don't want to lose you. Don't say that.
But there's nothing I can do. I'm powerless at the moment.
Desmond, don't leave me.
God, I don't even know if I'm making the right decision. I can't do anything.
Yes.
Oh, baby, this your beautiful heart is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. Oh. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay.
You want to do what, Desmond? Eh? Are you insane?
I'm not insane. It's my life. I love her. I love her so much that I can do anything to be with her. You can call it crazy. You can just look for words to define it, but I don't care. As long as I'm doing what pleases me. It's not madness, Mama. It's love. I love her. So that's it.
Have you told her this madness?
Well, I have not told her, and you shouldn't either. Just keep it to yourself.
But certainly you cannot achieve this by having your best friend marry her.
Mama, you see, I'm just telling you this for telling's sake. We've planned this whole thing. You know, we've already agreed. You know, she's safe with him. I don't have any... I'm just telling you for telling's sake. So it won't be that I'll go ahead with a plan and my mother is not aware. For my best friend, everything is sorted. We've agreed and we don't have any issue at all. Okay? It's just for the meantime. Once I'm ready, capable, I will come and do what? Marry her off from him and take my wife. That's all.
What? This is insane.
I know, Mama. I wouldn't have told you. It's just that I cannot do such a thing without telling my mother. So that's it. Remember?
What is going on?
It's a secret.
What is going on with him? Must you marry this girl?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why do you want to bring shame and disgrace to me in this house? Mazu Chago was here, threatening fire and brimstone, all because of what you said to his son. Now, he is no longer interested in you marrying his son. He wants his money back.
Hey, Mama. So, are we giving it to him?
How? Do you have the money? Do you have it?
Not yet, but soon. I'll have it.
Don't get on my nerves. Enough of this nonsense. Listen, if you don't want me falling out with you in this house, you better do well to go and apologize to that man and his son.
Mama, what wrong have I done to you? Why are you hell-bent on seeing me unhappy in this life?
You did everything wrong. Now you have from now till tomorrow to go and do as I've told you. Else, you will leave this house. Nonsense.
Oh my love, I will wait for you. No matter what my mama says, I will see this true. You are the one I need. My heart beats for you. I will wait forever. My love, my heart belongs to you. Oh, be more. My heart belongs to you. Oh, yeah, Frankie was show a feeling, sorry. Frankie was show a feeling, sorry. Searching for truth in a wonderful place, but it is hard to find when love
Desmond, I came to ask you one more time. If you really want me to marry your girlfriend, Ify, like, do you want me to marry her and then keep her for you till you return?
That's what I want. Okay, it will gladden my soul and my heart to know she's with you. Okay, definitely we'll end up together. That one is, of course, you know, I'm going through this route because you know that I love her with everything in me. But all I need is for you to, you know, marry her for me. You know, then when the time is right, when I'm back, I'll come and, you know, marry. I don't know, it sounds really, but that's what I want. Okay? Just marry her out from her mother and keep her for me. Once I'm back, I'll come and take my wife. That's all.
But have you discussed it with her?
Oh no, I can't discuss it with her. She won't accept that. My wife, I know, will not accept that. So it's best we keep it secret till I'm ready.
But you know, when she gets to find out, she will definitely flare up.
Yeah, that's why she's not going to know if we keep it a secret. Okay? She won't know. All I need us to do is just, you know that it's between us. Okay? Please, my friend.
Honestly, Desmond, this is the most difficult thing you're asking me to do as a friend.
I know. It sounds really somehow. Even when I thought of it, it sounded really somehow to me. But I said to myself, since it has to do with my best friend, I know he will understand me. And of course, he will do it for me. Okay? So I'm counting on you. Just keep her safe from me. And of course, untouched. Because I know, you know that he's mine. You're not going to do otherwise.
We'll see how it goes.
I'm counting on you. Remember, let's keep it secret. There's no way she will know. Alright?
It's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. You're Chike.
Yes, Desmond's friend.
Hi.
Mama?
Hey! Nna. No. Thank you, Nna. Hey!
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. People, let me offer you a seat. Come in now. Bata.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Please, what do I offer you? Let me get you something.
It's okay, Mama. I'm all right.
You're okay?
I'm okay.
So bad. Ebiko, don't mind her. You know, she just woke up, so she's trying to clean up the house.
I understand.
Yes.
Mama, you see, I came back to the village to look for my better half.
Eh?
Yes.
Nam, you're in the right place.
Okay.
No. Hey.
Good to hear. And I also want to make my intentions known towards your daughter, Ify.
Oh, that's great.
I am highly interested in her.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Ify, hurry up, okay? No, Onna.
Thank you, Mama.
Can you imagine? Your supposed best friend came to my house to ask for my hand in marriage.
Who is that came to ask for your hand in marriage? Huh? Is it Chike?
Yes, the one that just came back. I thought you said he's your best friend.
Yes, he's my best friend. He's a
betrayer. He's not your best friend.
Chike came to ask for your hand in marriage.
Yes. And my mom was so excited. She just wanted to give her my hand in marriage just like that.
Why now? Why? Why would Chike do this thing? Why? But my love, if you ask me, you know, I like to say things from a different angle. Because the way this thing, the way it's going now is turning to something else. Because I don't understand. But if you ask me, I will say, instead of that hooligan, that riffraff to get married to you, from another angle, it's better for Chike. At least Chike is somebody that I already know. Chike is someone that I know that is good. And and at least he will take care of you instead of that hooligan.
Wait. Desmond, you are getting on my nerves, and I don't like it. Of all the girls in this village, is his supposed best friend's girl.
Yes, that's the thing.
What are
because it's somehow that Chike would do such a thing. But me, I'm just saying from another angle, because at least the enemy you know is better than the friend you don't know. Enemy.
Are you asking me to get married to your best friend?
Love, what I'm saying is that is whoever that is ready to get married to you, because as it stands now, there is nothing. I'm powerless. I don't have what it takes to challenge Chike. He has the money. He said he wants. In fact, let me just go. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. And I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't know how I feel right now. I feel just not myself. I don't know why.
Oh my love, I will wait for you. No matter what my mama says, I will see this true. You are the one I need. My heart beats for you. I will wait forever. My love, my heart belongs to you. Oh, be more. My heart belongs to you. Oh, yeah, be more. Frank emotion, a feeling, sorry, Frank emotion, a feeling, sorry. Searching for truth in a wonderful place, but it is hard to find when love is just a game. When love is a game. This love is a game.
Hey, Adam, what is it? Get it for us. Enne, why are you in tears?
He left me.
Hey, who? I hope it's not that handsome young man that came to ask for your hand in marriage. Okwaburia?
Desmond left me.
Oh, Chineke Nadalu. Oh, thank God. Biko Nwam, I won't play such prank on me again. I thought it was that young man that came to ask for your hand in marriage. Hey, Biko Kwao.
I love
So, that fool left you. That idiot. After how many years? Is that why you're crying? Oh,
I love you.
Love Mwabukwonyebe.
I love Desmond so much.
It's okay, my dear. Nem, you see that love that you gave to Desmond? Go and collect it back, oh? And give it to that young man that came to ask for your hand in marriage. Biko Nwam. Hi. Or say Desmond Kosionyebe. Who is Desmond? Biko, wipe your tears.
Urena, wait. Urena, wait.
What is it now?
Wait. Urena, thank God I met you here. Urena.
Again.
Chike is getting married.
It's obvious he has moved on. So what do you want me to do about it?
Okay. Do you know who he's getting married to?
No, I don't.
That's where the gist comes in. Chike is getting married to Desmond's girl. Exactly.
Desmond is Chike's best friend.
Yes.
And Desmond's girl? Desmond's girl is Ifeyinwa now.
Exactly. That's the point. Desmond girl is Ifeyinwa. Chike is getting married to Desmond's girl.
Chike is getting married to Ifeyinwa. Are you sure about this?
Urena, I am sure as the word show. If you give me something, I can climb on it. Chike is getting married to her. Hey.
Ife, you have every right to feel this way. But you must know it is not my intention to hurt you.
But you know I'm Desmond's girl, Chike. You know this.
Desmond told me he is done with you. Besides, he is out of the village. So you see, if you don't want this marriage, it's okay.
What are we doing now?
Forget about that one. I am so disappointed at her because of the kind of lifestyle she has been living. Urena failed me. Listen, if you don't want this marriage,
No, it's fine. No, I was just so shocked about the sudden interest and proposal. But like you said, Desmond is no longer in the picture, so it's fine.
Should I take that as yes? In that case, we will have to inform our parents. All right, let's go.
So I ask you again, why my man? I mean, of all the men in this village, why my own man? Why? Why Chike? Why?
Your man?
Is that a question? Of course my man, my man. Oh wait, are you the only one in this village that doesn't know that Chike is my man? Are you the only one that haven't heard or seen Chike and I together? Make it clear to me, I want to understand.
Urena, if you have any questions, direct it to Chike and not me.
Okay. No, let me ask you, is that how you are? Who doesn't know in this village that Chike is your man? You even have the guts to leave your man for another person's man.
Hi! See, I used to reason you high. Looking at a fine girl like this, you should have home training. But obviously you don't have home training. How will you leave your man for my man? Why? Why? Where is it done?
You know what? I shouldn't be having this conversation with you.
Hey. Just leave her. I came here to find out a note of warning. I hope that sinks into your head. Leave my man alone. The next time I will come back here, leave her. Totally. We will flog her. No. There's no two ways about it. We'll have to flog her the next time we come back. Can you imagine? Fine girl like that. Home training, zero. No sense. Okay.
She did what? What's wrong with her? I am going to arrest her.
No.
Listen, I already broke up with her. So I wonder why she came to you talking to you in that manner. What's wrong with her?
I just don't want issues, please. Just let her be. Besides, her threat means nothing to me. Just let her be.
Are you sure about this?
Mm-hmm.
You amaze me, you know? Like your maturity and how you understand things. Listen, I promise, I will always love you. Okay?
Love you too.
Come here, my babe.
Mom,
Mama.
I heard that you're getting married. Congratulations to you, my dear.
Mama.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. But Mama, Desmond left me. Mama, he turned his back on me when I needed him the most. After all the sacrifices I made just to be with him, he left me.
Mom, what do you want him to do, Kwano? He certainly has no money to take care of you.
But Mama, I was ready to wait for him till he makes it.
Hey, but you know your mother will not approve of it.
I was ready to run away with him. Even carry his child just to make sure I am with Desmond.
Name.
Mama.
I understand your love for him. You don't deserve a man that is not capable or financially fit to take care of you. I want the best for you. I'm going to miss you.
I miss you too.
You know I love you.
I love you.
Oh, sorry.
You're welcome to my humble abode. Please, make yourself comfortable.
You have a very beautiful house. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sit.
Oh, thank you.
What kind of drink will I offer you?
Anything will be fine, but first, show me to my room so that I can settle in with my things.
Sure, I will. But first, you need a refreshment.
Okay, anything is fine, not alcohol.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, so here we are. Well, I'm so tired right now. I need to retire to my room.
Okay, I'll just take a shower. I'm so tired.
Good. Same here. I'll go freshen up.
You'll go freshen up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will see you in the morning. You take care of yourself, sweet dreams.
Wait. Did he just say good night? He will see me in the morning. Like, he's not sleeping with me.
Oh boy. Oh, who's calling? Oh.
Hey, Desmond. What's up, bro? I'm alright. How are you? Yeah, I just got home. Yeah, I went out with Ify. Where do you expect her to be? In her room, of course. I'm in my room. Or do you want her to be in my room? You want to make her chop your babe? It's alright. What are friends for? After all, we've come a very long way. So how is it going over there? How is all your company work? Oh, I understand. We thank God for everything anyways. I'll be going to bed now. I need to go freshen up. I feel so exhausted, like I'm hot. You wish you can speak to who? You won't cast our matter? Ha! You don't think at all? Please. Forget about her for now, okay? Meanwhile, like I said, I need to go freshen up, alright? Alright, you too. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, bye. Good night. Oh boy. I need to go freshen up, man.
Good morning, Ruby.
Hey, sweetie.
I need breakfast.
I just slept well.
Sleep. Also lonely.
Oh, I understand. Sorry about last night. I was so tired. I just slept off. Saw myself. So
It's fine.
it's all right. I'm famished. I'll have to eat and then go dress for work.
Work?
Yeah.
I'll be alone in this house.
Hey, baby, I need to work. But I promise I'll come back on time, okay?
It's fine.
Good. Yeah, won't you join me?
I'll get mine.
Oh, my man, congratulations. Like this, you don't turn married man. I'm happy for you, bro.
I'm only that knowledge is not what you think.
What? This is the most craziest thing I've heard in my entire life. What were you thinking?
I have no choice. Desmond happens to be my childhood friend.
What about the girl you went to the village to look for before you got married to this your present wife?
Thank God I went to the village, Amobi. Do you know this girl in question has turned out to be a whore? She sells her body for money, jumping from one man to another. I was highly disappointed when I heard of it.
So you want to tell me you can't forgive her, knowing fully well you weren't present in her life?
Are you serious? Do you know marriage is not relationship? You want me to get married to a whore? Someone that sleeps around? Are you for real? Come on.
My man, is it not better than the marriage you are into right now? No, tell me, what's the difference?
Well, like I said, I feel so disappointed when my friend told me about it. After denying the ones in the city, oh, come on, man. You're funny.
How are you going to handle this now? I could tell it's stressing you already.
I got hand I do.
Amobi, you see that man, he has never been a serious person. He is so unbelievable.
Chike, I better leave that man. How far? Where will the club today?
Obiakwa. Club. You and who is clubbing?
You shan't be me and who is clubbing. We had a plan before now.
Guy, have you forgotten? Technically, I am a married man, but you are not. Yeah? I can't stay out late now. Why are you bringing up this clubbing of a thing?
Chike, I'm happy you use the word technically because this your marriage be like backyard home. One way they do for back. True.
You see why I know they good make person they give another person full details of waiting they go on. Yeah? So because I gist you waiting sub for village. So now I see finish now. Na backyard marriage I do now. Guy, calm down. Eh? You know, so this babe just got to the city from the village, probably for the first time. So me staying out late, she'll start asking questions. I don't want her to start feeling that way.
Chike, the way you talk at times, don't be woman. Look for an excuse to stay her now. After all this madness with the soft soul, where will you find life with every man? Now you start on.
It never reach 1 month where I marry you. You don't they teach me how to lie. Make I begin lie, give my woman with the house.
I be your man else now. I go lie for you.
Hey.
Welcome.
Thank
Welcome
you.
back. So how was your day?
It was okay, but
a bit hectic. And yours?
You already know the answer to that. Lonely, as usual. Anyways, I made something sumptuous for you to eat.
That sounds nice.
Bitter leaf soup. I know you will love it.
I'm perceiving the aroma from here.
Wait till you taste it.
You know, Desmond told me you're a very good cook.
I don't want to hear that.
It's alright, it's alright. My bad, I'm sorry.
Let me get your food.
I said I'm sorry. Hey, hold on. Hey. I said I'm sorry.
It's fine, let me get your food.
Alright.
Welcome.
Hey, I thought you were in bed. You're still awake?
Is this hers?
What? Who?
You know who I'm talking about.
I don't know.
I found this under your bed. I've always known city men are not to be trusted. When are you going to introduce me to her?
Hey.
When?
Calm down. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, please, listen, let me.
Don't touch me.
Where is that woman? Where is that stupid woman? Where is she?
Where are you?
Oh, here you are.
Urena, you can't lack or madness. Is this madness?
Call it whatever you want. I don't care. Are you the only woman in this village that doesn't know that Chike belongs to me? And you went and gave your stupid daughter's hand in marriage?
My daughter is not stupid. You are the one that is stupid for having the guts to come into my compound to insult me. Yeah? Alanapi.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Alanapum. Yes, I have come to show you that I am mad. You haven't even seen the worst of it. I have come to show you that, see, if you know what is best for you, better go and return that bride price. Return it, give that money back to Chike and take your daughter back.
You don't need to tell me that you're mad because it's already glaring. It is not glaring. Ibu Akuna, Akuna ten kobo, ashawa kibo. Stupid idiot.
Yes, your daughter has been sleeping with all the men in this village. Now she wants to end up with Chike. She wants to ruin his destiny. You think I don't know?
Yaurena, it can only be an insult if it's true. Yes, even a child that was born yesterday know your exploits with men in this village. And that was why Chike chose my daughter. And now, do you blame him?
I don't blame him, oh. Yes! I have been hearing it that you are a witch because Chike in his right senses cannot marry an overused product. Your daughter is overused. Your daughter Botokumbo. Better go and remove your daughter from Chike's house. Else, I will do it myself. See, I will go to that city and I will scatter that thing you called marriage. Watch and see. I will ruin it. Silly.
Go and treat your madness.
Call it madness, so.
You are entering market. And you know what they say when you enter market. You are gone, no. You know what they say, Makala Balafia fool. You know what they say. Nekwaki Balafia o. Allah na abiakwa o. Yeah, again, now come to my house again and see what I will do to you. If not call the Akuna. Can you imagine? This girl has the guts to come into my combat to insult me. If Wakodi, Eguatoria, let me see you here again. Nonsense.
I am so sorry about all this. So sorry, my bro. I didn't know it has been there all this while. I would have removed it.
Chike, what am I doing here? This room, what am I doing in this room?
Oh. If you don't like this room, you can come to my room. Let's switch.
What am I to you? Your wife or your girlfriend?
We are not couples yet. Yeah, officially, what I mean is that we cannot be seen sleeping together until after the white wedding.
Okay. You paid my dowry. And I'm not your wife. We're not couples yet. I don't understand.
You're a Christian, I'm a Christian, and I'm a practical Christian at that, you know. Yeah. We have to do things the right way. You know? After white wedding, not before white wedding, okay? I'm sorry. If just stop crying, okay? I feel so uncomfortable when you feel this way. Sorry. If you need anything, just let me know.
Yeah, who's there? Hold on.
Hello.
Your Chike's friend.
Oh, we're actually best friends.
Oh, okay, that's fine. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me go fetch him for you.
Excuse me. You know you're adorable.
Oh, thank you.
Can you please come on?
Oh, okay.
Come on. You're so good, seriously. I don't know how to say it, but you're really good.
Thank you. Let me.
Bros.
Yeah, what's up?
This your friend Babe said to. Don't be saving my guy. Omo, I for poor body oh.
Ha. Amobi. Uncle AJ Posigi Amobi. Eh? Did you come to my house to lust after my wife?
Bros, relax. Shoo. Me and you know the cocoa now. Why you talk like this? You know say she never.
Reduce your frog voice, I beg. You won't blow my cover. Talk another thing now, Shoo. Because they call you Amobi.
Chike.
Go Amo.
I want to say something. I take the stairs with this girl, but you know they move it to touch her.
Hey, Obiakwozo.
You dey try you.
It's not by my power, eh? Nothing is impossible with God, okay?
Leave this God matter. You don't turn pastor. Who shall be God? I shall like you, they call. Shall be pastor.
Amo. Okay, fine. Change the topic. Let's talk about sports, eh? Talk about something else. If he's in the house now, she might be eavesdropping.
Give it time, I'm you, but my guy. Before they warm this girl, when your friend will come.
Wait.
You don't understand.
Guy, calm down now. They hear noise for this. So as a person you did this. Eh? Relax now. And that your match yesterday, Alpha. They're not gonna 4-0, Abby.
A match matter with the talk.
Hey. Are you okay? Why are you staring at me like that?
You still communicate with Desmond?
Oh. How?
Oh, please, don't lie to me. I heard you telling your friend.
What else did you hear? Listen. Desmond made me too.
But to lie to me that you're not talking to him?
Oh, yes.
I hate that name. I don't want to ever hear his name. I don't want to see him.
Why do you hate him so much? Why do you see?
Stop! Can you please stop? Just stop it! I don't even want you to mention his name. I don't even want you to have anything to do with him. Stop communicating with him. Can't you do that for me?
Okay, babe, come on. You don't have to do this right now. Listen, I wouldn't want to step on your nerves on purpose. I'm sorry. I didn't know that would upset you. Listen, you know I love you so much. You mean the whole world to me. I'm sorry. Okay?
It's fine. Just stop.
Yeah, I will. Sorry. My baby. Come here.
Why are you withdrawing?
You know why.
Fine. So, when are we planning for it?
I already told you. The wedding plan is on my to-do list.
But I need you to do it immediately. I need to know my position in your life.
I already told you. I am working on it. Okay? The white wedding will take place soon.
Okay.
Get me something to eat, please. I'm famished.
How you doing? What's the problem? Are you stupid? You do not touch your little fingers on me again. Are you crazy?
Why don't you embarrass me?
You deserve everything I'm giving to you. For opening this your filthy mouth to lie to me that you've stopped your promiscuous life. But guess what? You actually go out with those your friends, clubbing and going to prostitution joints.
Babe.
Let me tell you something. I am highly disappointed in you.
See when you're embarrassing me outside? You got to show me some couple of prostitutes and you are disgracing me outside for the whole world to see. Overreacted. You're sorry. Leave.
Honestly, I am beginning to regret my decision. Bringing that woman into my house. It's crazy, man.
Hit my mom. You can't keep her a woman in your house and not have sex with her. You are depriving her from having sex.
Come on. What if I get her pregnant?
Man, this protection, man. Be sharp guy.
Amobi, you know I don't like using protection. I love it raw. I have always been the kind of guy that likes it raw. You know what I mean? It is sweeter that way. And there is no way I will keep monitoring when she's ovulating or not. You know?
My bro, this decision won't work at all. It won't work. You have to figure out something. You really have to.
Guy, I am in a fix.
Then call the friend. Let him know the kind of condition you are right now. What are you waiting for?
Are you kidding me? It will be so unfair of me to break my promise. The promise I made to Desmond, my good friend. If it were you, how will you feel?
Come on, man. You have to fix this.
I don't know, man. You know, I'm a man of my word. My word is my bond. I don't know where to start from right now. I just have to see how it goes.
What's your favorite drink? Red wine.
Yeah.
That's cool. So you don't take vodka, whiskey?
No, I don't.
Or if I give you $1 million to take a drink you don't usually take, will you take it?
Yeah.
You love money more than your life.
Amobi, what exactly is your problem? What is it that those little prostitutes are offering to you that I don't give to you? Amobi, what exactly have I done to you to deserve this mess? I called you severally, you refused picking my calls. What is your problem, for crying out loud? You're hurting me.
Madam, come. Is it not obvious? I'm not interested in you anymore. In fact, I don't want to date you again. I don't want this relationship to hold anymore. Please.
You can't be serious. Like, just tell me I am sleeping, I'm dreaming. You can't be serious. Amobi, I thought you loved me. Where has the love gone to? Because of cheap prostitute. Oh, shit.
Wait. What do you mean love? Who should be love? Please, just give me my space. I'm not interested anymore. In fact, Nancy, stay away from me, please.
Yeah.
You love money more than your life. Hey, bro. What's up?
Oh my guy. I've been noticing
the drama over there. What's going on?
Don't embarrass me for outside, bro.
What did she say you do now?
You come preach about love, what I do for you. All those kind of rotten talk.
Nothing will never see for these babes.
You don't see her.
I beg, hop in, Moku go.
Abi?
Mo go chill out somewhere. Now what to you?
Go enjoy. Nancy, Papa.
Drive out. Moku drive. My darling, please come get into the car.
All right.
Yeah. Get it.
Hi, baby. You're not sleeping?
Same with you. I thought you're in bed.
Oh no, there's this program I like to see. So I just wanted to finish it up before coming to bed.
Your television is not on, or are you seeing it on the phone?
On my phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
yes, actually, there's this client of mine that is coming into town. I have to go pick him up from the airport, okay?
Baby, it's late. You can take a cab.
Hey, he's not a Nigerian, okay? He's a foreign client. Besides, you know the insecurity right now in the country. So I have to go pick him up, take him to a secured hotel, then I'll come back home.
You're sure you come back in good time?
Sure, I'll be back before you know it.
Alright.
Alright.
Please drive safe and take care of yourself.
I will.
I'm waiting.
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
be up till you come back.
Are you sure? Okay, fine. I'll be back before you know it, okay? I'll see you, okay?
Bye.
hope you slept. I'm so sorry about last night, okay? By the time they finished processing the client's luggage, it was already late. I had to pass the night where I lodged him. Talk to me.
Okay. It's fine. Is he alright?
Yeah, he's fine. I left him. I had to come home because of you. Hey, listen, I know how you feel, okay? And thanks for understanding. Your eyes are a bit swollen. Did you sleep at all?
I was up all through waiting for you. I thought something happened. I couldn't get you on phone.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Where they kept us, the room they gave to us, the network usually fluctuates there. So sorry. Okay?
It's okay. You must be very hungry. Let me just fix you something to eat.
Are you sure you can do that? You have the energy for that?
It's okay.
Okay, just do it, okay? Hey. Babe? Hey, babe? Babe, hey, you must be tired, okay?
My friend, this one you're looking all glammed and beautiful. What's the occasion?
I'm just coming from salon. I went to, stretch my hair.
Salon?
Well, I'm heading to the city. So from here now, I'm going back to my house, grab my boss, off to the city.
Are you sure this is the best decision?
Amuchi, what do you want me to do? How best would you prefer that I handled this? Sit back and watch another woman take what's mine. Amuchi, my family rejected me because Chike left me. The only way they would forgive me is if I bring Chike back to my house. You don't expect me to sit back and do nothing. No. Watch that goat and take what's mine. What's that?
Okay.
I'm going to that city.
Fine.
I'm going to possess my possession. Yes.
So, do you know where he lives?
Well, I don't know. But I have someone who knows. So when I get to the city, I'll call the person. The person will take me to Chike's house.
Oh, God. Amuchi, what if he doesn't let you in?
Why wouldn't he let me in? Is he mad? Is he sick? Hey, that is when Chike will see and know the stuff that I am made of. How can I need your noso? I'll go to that city and I will take my man away from that bitch.
Okay. So, where are you headed now?
I'm waiting for bike.
Okay, let's wait for the bike together.
I'm back. Yeah, I came to let you know.
So how's your friend?
He's okay.
He's your good friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think one of these days you should invite him for lunch? I get to know him better and you introduce me to him as your wife.
Oh, that sounds nice, but I don't think it's necessary.
You don't think it's necessary?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Chike, did you marry me out of pity? Maybe because your friend abandoned me. You now got married to me. Don't tell me, I want to know.
Hey, come on. Why are you sounding this way?
Because you don't care about me. Since I got married to you, I don't even know my position in your life. I can place it.
Why are you sounding like this?
What do you mean, what? I want to understand it, Chike. Why did you marry me in the first place? All you do is go out, sleep with prostitutes, and come back and give me lies upon lies. What did I do to you? Why did you marry me? Why did you get married to me in the first place? Why didn't you just leave me in the village? Why?
I didn't see that one coming. I am in deep shit right now. Yeah, I'm in serious trouble. What? Why would she do such a thing? Damn. Man, Ify is mad at me as we speak. What? Are you saying Ify living is the best thing to do? Nah. Hey, listen, it's not about sex, okay? Remember I made a promise to my friend Desmond. Nah, don't worry, I will work something out, okay? It's okay, I'll talk to you some other time. Let me think. Okay, I'll call you back. What do I do now? What do I do now?
What are you doing here? You are asking me. No, is that supposed to be a question? Oh, you're asking me. As if you don't know I am here to possess my possession. You see, I came prepared for you. You hear me? I came well prepared for you. Meanwhile, what are you still doing here? What are you doing in my husband's house? Baby.
What are you doing in my house? How did you get to know where I stay in the city?
I asked questions. I mean, I wanted to tell you, but you know, you blocked me.
You invited her here, right?
No, I didn't.
I see.
Baby, I was asking questions. You know you blocked me now. I would have told you that I was coming, but you blocked me. Eh?
Hey, back off.
I'm sorry. You're a changed person now.
Change
I
where?
have changed. See, test and see.
Test what? Hey, listen to me. You can't teach old dog new tricks. Do you understand?
Chicken.
Now you get out of my house.
English.
I said back off!
Chicken.
If I go in there and step out, I want you to vamos. Get out of this premises. I don't want to see you every time I return here.
Okay. Now.
Ify!
May you leave this house. Oh, Jazz, no. I don't understand. Hey! My husband's house. Willow, I go nowhere. And where is this boy? Security! Security, please get my bags.
Hey, babe. What's going on here?
I'm leaving this marriage.
Why?
Why? I'm leaving the marriage so you can not continue with your first rule. Is that clear?
Hey, listen. Urana didn't say when she was coming. I didn't even know how she got to know my house.
Wow, I don't care. Do whatever you want to do with that. Excuse me, please let me get my clothes.
If you leave, she will have a reason to stay back. Ify, are you listening to me at all? Babe?
See house now. See house wey person wan make I use my kokoro eye comot. Hey! People dey dream sha. See Marsha, no, we die here. We die here.
Can you reduce the volume of that music? You're disturbing the neighborhood.
I just be arrived. Allow me make I enjoy myself. If you want make call, they go upstairs. What's happening?
Now you listen to me. I am giving you until tomorrow morning. Take your luggage and leave my house.
Tomorrow is still far. Make her first enjoy myself first. I'll just be home. You never even show me my room. I've been out here, I'll go sleep till tomorrow.
Let me
show
meet
me
you
room
here.
first.
Show me room. I mean, we go sleep together. I know it's they fine. You know just what come out open. I know. Allow me to enjoy myself at the club.
Shit. What am I going to do, Desmond, now? What am I going to tell Desmond? Let me send him a voice note. Desmond. Yeah, how are you doing? How is work over there? I just want to tell you something, actually. You don't have to panic about this, okay? My ex, Urena, yes, she came to the city uninvited. And then Ify saw her and became so upset. She refused listening to me. I asked her to stay, but yeah, you know Urena and her madness. She made Ify to leave. As I speak to you right now, Ify is on her way back to the village. But you don't have to worry, okay? I said, let me just update you. I'll see what I can do, okay? Call me when you're back from work. All right, bye. I hope I said the right thing. Shit. Who is there?
Babe, it's me. Can I come in?
Go away.
Please, let's talk about this.
I said go away. I don't want to see you.
Babe, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with this girl? Have you lost it? Are you mad? Go away. I don't want to have anything to do with you. It's such a bad luck. Get out.
Time may go by, but this love can never fade away. Oh, baby, no. Time may go by, oh, but this love cannot fade away. Oh, baby, this your beautiful heart is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. You see this in your heart, is where I will forever stay.
I don't get it all. You mean you left your house simply because the ex showed up?
Mama, apart from that, since I moved into his house, he has not touched me.
So, what effort have you made in getting in touch with him? Or are you expecting him to get in touch with you?
Mama, I don't understand. Am I supposed to touch him first? Like, make the first move?
Ifugoni, you see why that I said you're stupid? You are Uche. You don't have sense. How do you expect a rich, handsome city boy like that to be the one to come for you? Or the possible?
Mama, even when I tried making the move, I touched him first, but he refused. And he said it's still after the church wedding.
Exactly. He has a valid point. Yes, he must not be like every other man. So I don't see reason why you're back to this house.
Instead of sleeping with me, he preferred his ex, Urena. Yes.
You lie. Urena came here threatening to go to the city to disrupt your marriage. Hey, instead of my daughter to fight this girl so that she will leave the house, she decided to leave the house for her husband's ex. Is that not stupidity, Bikon?
Mama, I've been saying here, it doesn't make sense to you. You don't understand anything I've said or what? What are
Ifeanyi, what I understand here is that you're stupid and foolish. Yes, this house will not contain me and you. You need to learn that you're a married woman and you cannot stay here. Listen, if he's the one that threw you out, I can intervene and do something about it. But this one, you threw yourself out. Neighbor will not contain me and you. So you better turn back and go back to your husband's house. Did you hear me? Yeah.
Well, I'm still not happy with you.
This your shakara done too much, eh? Should I kill cow for you? How many times should I apologize? How many times I've been apologizing? I still give you another apology here, you still dey complain. Chike, your shakara too much.
Why won't I do
shakara too much? Make I still pen down another apology. Make you no say dey body.
That's my baby. That's my baby.
Hi, baby.
Hope you slept well. Yeah, I do, of course.
I'm happy having you by my side.
Oh, good to hear. So, what are we having for breakfast?
Something sumptuous. You just wait till I'm done. Then you see.
Okay. I'll be in the sitting room.
Good.
Alright. Alright, sugar. Hurry up.
Okay.
Coming, baby.
Hurry up, I'm running late.
It took you forever.
You know, I had to take my time to prepare something very sumptuous for you to enjoy. You see? Bon appetit. Let me quickly get you water. Come. What? It's not hot. It's not that hot. I'm sorry.
What did you put in this rice?
Carrots.
Carrot? What? What's that taste? Like, So you still didn't know how to cook? All this while in the village, you refused to know how to cook. You were busy gallivanting with the men in the village. Oh, give me that.
I tried my best now, okay? I don't know. Shoot from the right hand side. Shoot from here. This food is nice now.
I'm highly disappointed at you.
Okay.
Get out!
But can you relax? Let me make something else fast. Oh, let me make you soup. Baby, please, I am sorry. I am sorry, please.
It's okay. I've heard you.
So what would you now eat now? I know you must be very hungry. What are you going to eat?
I'll get something on my way to your house.
Okay, how about you just wait small? Let me make something.
No.
No, baby. This time around, I'm going to take my time and I'll prepare something for you. You like? I'll bake something for you. Bake something for you, like cake or something. Please, I just want to make you happy.
There is no need wasting my cooking gas, okay?
No. I will try this time. Intercontinental dishes. I will make it. I can do it. I will just go to internet and browse it.
Okay. For now, don't cook anything. I'll be ordering for food. On my way back, I'll get you something as well, okay? So you don't have to cook. All right? I'll see you when I get.
Okay. Bye. I would prefer rice. Just buy me rice. Yeah, so he just left the house now. I mean, why not?
Who can resist this beauty? Look at me. I am an epitome of beauty. Though it wasn't that easy at first, though. It was really difficult. Honestly, I chop slap, maybe small thing. But you know, say now, as I don't come out, I don't come out. I guys greet die, we die there. We die there. Now once I just show him models, you know what they like now? He just grabbed me. Eh? He grabbed me entire room. Let me small thing. I can't have it. That goat. She just left. I mean, waiting concern me. Yes, now. She's supposed to come out. The main owner of the property don't arrive. So the best thing for her to do is to readjust. I mean, make she make way. I don't enter because I don't enter. You see this relationship, eh? We go do one. Eh? We go do one. Madam General #1. See, I am the madam of this house. I am telling you, I am back to my husband's house. Not a person want to tell me, I don't come beside, I don't come. No leave, no transfer. Hey. That one no be talk now. Normal level, you're my person. I will invite you. See, just dey pack your things. Once I call you for phone again, you know say, now for you to dey call. No worry, I dey with you. How was I forget you now? They mad. Relax, your blood is hot. Relax. I'll send for you, okay? Enjoy yourself in the village too, baby. Bye. Now you dey craze. Bye. Okay. Hi.
My friend, you mean your ex from the village came all the way far from the village to come be with you here in the city?
It's a long story. But truth be told, I still love her.
You still love her? And you went ahead to marry someone else?
If he's not my wife, I mean, technically, yeah, she's my wife. But I told you why she's in my house.
Well, it's a perfect opportunity for you to end your marriage and be with her.
You know, Desmond will be highly disappointed. Already I sent him a voice note, you know, but I know he's not going to be happy about it.
My friend, I don't know. Why are you comfortable keeping another man's property in your house? It's insane. If she has left your house, then what are you worried about? Then it's fine. It's a win for you, my man.
Oh, listen, I don't want her to fall into the hands of another man. And besides, I already sent a voice note to Desmond, and I know he will be very, very mad when he gets to know. Right now, I need to do everything possible to bring Ify back to my house.
My friend, I don't really know how you feel very comfortable keeping another man's property in your care. It's crazy, my man. Very, very crazy, I must say.
Come on, man. Listen, right now, don't judge, okay? We have to do everything possible to make sure she comes back home. And besides, you know, this girl is a wonderful cook. Like, ever since she left my house, I've not been able to eat a sumptuous meal. But you, Rena, my ex, on the other hand, she's good in bed. But man needs food now, you know? So right now, I just have to do everything possible to make sure if he comes back home, because Desmond, wherever he is, I want him to have peace of mind.
Chike, you need to work on your choice. Your choice is really terrible, I must say. Very, very terrible.
Madam, God go bless you. Madam, then God say you don't come back. Okay, sorry, I know you don't understand. I say hungry for some good meal. Hey! I swear to God, if not say God understand my condition, he say I shall not sick. Madam, for don't get ulcer.
What? You mean nobody gives you food in this house?
Madam, nobody. Madam, I don't even know waiting my Oga carry come house or where they stay with Oga. Madam, that wanna see them this man. As him and young yen twin, you know, I don't get what's going to among the peg. Madam, what's that? Sorry. She dey carry pepper, put for water. I don't even know waiting they cook. And anytime where I chop in food, madam, I dey go toilet. You get one day where I almost shit my intestine. Hey, is your guy around? No, my Oga no dey. Nah, the thing dey inside. The thing? Yes. The thing where no sabi cook. Anything where no sabi cook is called a thing. She's inside? Yes. Fine. Okay, don't worry, I'll get you food. Okay? Madam. I'll get you. Madam, thank God you're back. Madam, God go bless you. Chai! My God. God, thank you. Okay, madam. Hey, I go begin chop better food now. But it's also what? Yummy.
What is going on here? What is going on? You know I was hearing noises, but I wasn't quite sure where it's coming from. So it's you. So you shamelessly brought back your cheap self into my house. Huh?
Your house? Really?
Of course my house. I mean, who doesn't know that Chike's house is my house? Oh, so because you gave your cheap self out for Chike to marry, you think that would automatically make me to stay away? Come on, I expected better from your dumb skull. You should process things faster, smarter.
Oh, Ray. You know, as a woman, you have no iota of shame in you. You're so shameless. How can you give yourself so cheap to a man? Oh, what am I even saying? What was I expecting from a prostitute?
And that I will not take from you. Don't even try it, oh. Don't try it. Don't you ever try it. Why would you call me a prostitute? Are you sick? Are you mad? That is fool. No, you should be referring to yourself. You're a prostitute. Fool.
Anyways, take it however you want to take it. I give you till tomorrow to leave this house.
So you are dismissive. You are giving me till tomorrow. My dear, I am giving you till now to leave this. What am I even saying? Oh yeah! Where are those your stupid bag you came back with? I brought back from my husband's house. Leave!
Is something wrong with you? It's something wrong with you.
Listen, I don't know why you left or why you chose to return, but please do not disturb my peace in this house.
Chike, let her leave this house now.
She's not going anywhere.
What? Chike, why are you treating me like this? Okay. I'm sorry. If I've wronged you in any way, I'm sorry. Chike, please. See. Save me this shame and send her away. Please, we are married.
I have made it clear to you that Urena is not going anywhere. And if you must stay in this house, you need to learn how to live in peace with her. Do you understand?
But we're married. Okay. If she stays in this house, who is she to you?
It's none of your business.
Chike.
Yeah.
Has she gone?
She's my wife. You are not. Who is supposed to live?
Chike, why not get married to me? Get married to me and we'll go return her bride price together.
That is not going to happen. I mean, not now, maybe later.
Why later? When is later? Chike, I have confessed all my sins to you. I have told you everything about my past. I am not hiding anything. I don't have a secret as I stand here. Chike, the person you're seeing right now is a new creature. I am in Christ Jesus. I'm a changed person.
Yeah. All things have passed away in my eyes.
Exactly.
Hey, listen. I urge you to live in peace in this house with Ify.
You know there is never living in peace. Hence she's still here. There is no peace. There can never be peace. You don't expect me to sit back and watch another woman take what's rightfully mine?
You heard me right.
Don't make me repeat myself.
What are you doing in my kitchen? What are you doing in my kitchen? I am asking you, what are you doing in my kitchen?
Get your shameless self out of here right now. Huh?
Amongst both of us, who is the shameless one?
And who is the married woman here? You or I? Yes.
So you brought back your shameless self into this house thinking that he would send me out? You see?
Aside hawking your body, what else do you do? Remind me.
Don't worry, just relax. By the time Chike is formally married to me, and that is going to happen soon, oh. It is going to happen soon. By that time, we'll know the main owner of this house. Chike!
Joseph the dreamer.
Chike!
Keep dreaming.
No, hold on. Just keep doing whatever you're doing. Chike!
Chihuahua, not there. Rubbish. Where is this?
Smells nice.
And the cats, baby. Baby Ray.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Enjoy your meal.
Fried jollof.
All for you, my love.
Nice combination.
Thank you.
Just nice.
I know. I know. It's hot.
Oh, sure.
So let's just get cold.
What is going on? What is going on? I don't understand.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that I am hungry. I saw the gate man eating, and I can't find my own portion of food. Abi, is it my food you're eating?
It's alright. Sit and have some.
What do you mean by sit and have some? What do you mean by sit and have some? How can you say that? If you want to eat, you go and make something for yourself. That poison you always make it for yourself and eat it.
It's that poison that will kill you.
To kill you, you're a fool. And your mother didn't train you well to know how to make proper meals.
Chike!
Rubbish.
She just insulted your mother-in-law before you and you kept calm.
Hey,
did you hear that?
Stop it.
Stop what?
It's okay.
He said you should stop it. Baby, it's my love, it's hot.
See, say I'm not sure for this house, eh? Nobody, this food no go enter anybody's mouth. I don't want drama. I am not
Stop it.
Don't come and eat. My love, it's okay.
Chike,
You know
my
what?
husband.
I'm done here.
Don't hear. Better. I don't understand.
Hey bro, calm down, okay? Everything is under control. As I speak to you right now, Ife is back. Yes. She actually went to the village, but she's back. I don't know what transpired over there in the village that made her to come back. She's in her room right now. But you need to come back as soon as possible. I don't know how long I will keep making her stay in this house. Yes, you know, she's a smart girl. She's beginning to sense that all is not well. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Hey, can I call you? Can I call you back? Yeah, I'll call you back.
Babe. Babe. Someone here? Babe. Where is he? Babe. Oh no.
Okay, Nicole. And what is that supposed to mean? I don't get it.
Are you a mad woman? Or does this place look like mad people's house?
You are the mad woman.
If you want to be mad, go outside, Market Square, Yaba left, anywhere, not in this house.
And that I will not take from you. See, I do not care how you came around into this house. But you see my happiness, it is what you cannot take away from me. Don't you dare ever in your life see me playing music, enjoying myself, and you want to kill my joy. Don't try it next time.
You're mad.
You're very stupid.
As the real owner of this house, the wife, I loathe noise. You're mad. Rubbish. What are you going to make me see? What are you going to make me see now? It's like you're mad.
I go break your head. I see. I dey crazy so.
Chicken, this girl is mad. Are you mad?
I go break your head.
Go to Yaba left.
Oka, welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
Oka, I'm not fine. Oka, if you check my heart, you know go see joy. You see those women where they inside this house? Them they fight waiting no good, Oka. Every day them just they fight waiting no good.
Are you saying they fought today?
What? Yummy. Is there any day where these women no fight? The answer to my question is no, Oka. Every day them just they fight. Even me, I come they wonder. I say whether them use fighting baptism baptize them when they wanted to give their life to Christ. If at all they have given their life to Christ, okay, even me, I am sure. So please, my humble advice is okay for you to do something about it because one day them go fight, kill themselves, and you might be the next.
What?
Sorry, okay.
Are you okay in the head?
It's okay.
And why are you being so negative-minded?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
Okay. I beg no vex. You get waiting I won't talk. I swear to God, waiting me I won't talk. They're very, very important. I beg, if you just help me write fire service number for this place. Should I need these people want to burn this house, I will now pick the number and call fire service. Hello, fire service. Please, can you come to my car's house because there is fire going on? Before they go burn everything, okay?
Now you listen to me. I am going to burn them alive before they burn down this house. And make sure you're not around the day I will burn them alive.
Yes, okay.
Because you will definitely join them in that fire.
Yummy.
Parasites.
I reject it. It shall not stand. I shall not be around. It shall not stand. Because the Bible says, it shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. I shall not be around. If young shall not be around. If young shall not be around.
Hey. Now you listen to me. Do not make me regret accepting you back into this house. I do not want to see you fight with Urena again. Do you understand?
No, because I am your wife.
No, you are not.
What?
Yeah, technically.
Technically? I see. You think I will let you write me off your life just like that because of that lady? I won't. See, I won't let you use me and dump me like a fool.
The high time you began to behave reasonably, the better for all of us. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand. I won't let you use me and dump me.
How did I use you? I can't remember sleeping with you.
Oh, I see. That's why you've never made love to me. Because of Urena.
No.
Right?
You're wrong.
But let me make it clear to you. I am not leaving this house for anybody. I am not backing down. You married me. If anyone should leave, she should be the one that will leave, not me. And that's final.
Let peace reign.
What?
Let peace reign.
Peace will not reign. In fact, if I see her anywhere, I will tear her apart. There is no peace in this house.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. I'm beginning to see the other side of you. You're beginning to let the beast, the hidden beast in you out, isn't it?
Yes. You brought out the beast in me. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. You're welcome, my husband. Let me go fix your meal.
She's making me sweat. Even in AC.
Okay, madam. Oh, yes, madam. Yummy. What? What did I go do now? Oh, right now they send me something. They say that she be the madam of the house. If he will be real madam, say I must go her own errand. And who I go follow? This one say you must go waiting I send you. This one say you must go waiting I send you. He gonna be like send me a day 2 for here. What did I go do now? Yes, madam. Okay, Effiong, you have to make decision now. Effiong, who is your madam? Who is your madam of this house? The madam of this house is Ifi. Yes, now only Ifi message I go go. Anybody who send me message again, I don't go. Only Ifi. Ifi is my madam.
Kai, honestly, Amuche, that bastard don't come back to this house. She is making life a living hell for me in this house. I am telling you. Amuche, it is not as easy as you think. It is not. You know, say technically, she's actually married to Chike. Yes, and that gives her a legal ground. Kai, my friend, I beg, I beg you. I need you to come. Come and fight this war with me. Fight this battle with me. I can't do this alone. Please, I need you. In fact, if you even come, nah, just they come. Tired. No. If not that one come up with the Chike no dey sleep with her. I trust her for that one. Chike owner say once I show am all those sweet things wey dey like for my body, I don't catch am. He don't fall yakata. Come on, body for that one, no. Now just that witch wey they give me high blood pressure. I hate that girl. I hate her so much. So much. For the men in this world, mother is upon my own Chike. I don't want that, oh. I don't want it. Please, you better start coming now. Start coming. Okay, bye. Hello?
What are you doing with my food?
What do you mean your food?
I don't understand. You can't cook, you won't cook, and you'll be dragging my food.
I don't fully understand. Is your name written on this food?
This woman, you can't cook. You can't do anything in this house, and if I cook, you come and carry the food.
And so
see the big meat you took.
And so is this your house? Do you know how much they sell food? Do you know how much they sell rice? Do you know how much they buy gas? Is this your house?
Coming from one lazy human.
No, because make me understand.
Give me my food.
Oh, come on your hand. Give you waiting. I will
see.
I will blast this thing for your face.
Blast it.
Don't try me.
Hungry.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'll beat you.
I'll blast this for your face.
And you
don't even try me.
Hungry woman.
Hungry food.
Effiong! Open the gate. What is it?
Okay, I think that you wear earpiece. Okay, this one where you they come, you know they hear the noise inside.
Effiong, I said open the gate.
No, okay, God forbid, I know if you open gate like that. Okay, you have to do something. If they burn down this house, there's going to be a news. Fire heartbreak. In the house of Mr. Chike, as a result of women fighting. Okay, they need
What is wrong with this parasite? I said, open the gate. Open the gate. Hurry up. I said, hurry up. Go. Move. Stupid. You begin to constitute nuisance in this compound. I'll kill you.
Okay, they say be your brother's keeper. Let me be my Oga keeper. Give me the fire service number, okay? For safety.
I feel so terrible right now. I am unhappy.
Chike, but it's way too they talk since Abi. This thing we won't start. I told you before you went into this. You said you're okay going into a polygamy home. It's wrong. Now see the effect on you.
Especially when it involves two crazy women from the village. Well, I already sent Desmond a voice note, making him understand that if he does not return back to this country before the ending of the year, I will send Ify away. I cannot go run mad one day.
That your fine baby so we set like that. That your fine wife now you won't push you come for us.
Oh, come on, spare me that crap. Listen, Urena might be a terrible cook, but the babe too good for bed. Hey! That girl, that Ronaldinho. If Ronaldinho was a female.
Chike, you are talking of Mark. You are not even talking about a decent meal. What you eat in this your stomach.
Oh God. I can always order for a decent meal, or rather a sumptuous meal. Eh? What's come to worse? I drive Ify away for my own peace. Oh. Guy, every day noise inside my house. Even that small winch where I keep forget that gets mad. That one save now that problem. Entirely. That one mount, no fish. The moment I drove into the compound, Oga, your house, they want to burn it down. No, Oga. Like, I don't understand.
That reminds me. Oh, play. Oh. Chike, you never chop that girl. Oh. Like, you just keep on like say she be altar. You just supposed to be service that girl before this month.
Oga, calm down. You're beginning to sound like someone that can betray his good friend. Though. You could advise me to chop babe what I tell you say that my manest man, Bunny. Why they talk like this now?
Leave this your manest man.
I don't they use side eyes they look you.
Okay, if you no go chop, make I chop now. I be your man.
Right, let me advise you, bro to bro. Not be every meat then the chop go free. You see all those small which offer for road, if they chop those ones, because those ones I don't even know where they come out from. But you see this particular meat, Oga, remove your eyes. Oh. You get some meat where you go chow, go choke you. You hear me so?
I don't hear. No wahala.
One thing must kill a man. Not gonna allow this kind of thing.
I don't hear. Drink your drink.
Hello.
Drink. I don't hear you. Pastor, sent.
Babe, what happened? You left last night without telling me your whereabouts, and I called you all through. All to no avail. You didn't take your calls, nothing. You didn't even return my missed calls. Babe.
Don't touch me.
Are you mad at me? Wait, I hope it's still because of that small occasion I had with that idiot. Baby, that girl is a temptation that I have been finding it so hard, so hard to resist. She is annoying. See, if I don't break that girl head though, like if I don't waste time through away. Now just your face, I just a look. Oh. If I don't waste that girl.
Hey. You can keep bragging about wasting someone, but don't touch me. Back off.
I'm sorry now.
I said back off.
You sure? No, I don't tell you sorry. You really sure say you want me to back off? Are you sure? I mean, look at this. Just look at this. See something now. I only do like I've been away in the see front. See something. Just use your corner iron. Turn. Look out. See now. You style. It'll be you again. Yeah. You know the feel look fool, I don't catch you. You know the style again. This is what you missed. You left this food package. You were supposed to warm your bed for you last night. Come out. I don't know where you took it. Where you go? Anyway, I forgive you. Guys, I am here to make it up to you. Hey, guys. I don't know. Love you. So you even want this and you were pretending, eh? Chica.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
Wait till that one coming now. I don't understand.
That's very good, very good. You're not going out with this car.
Hey, says who are we?
Your legit wife. The real owner. The real queen, the real wife to the man of this house.
If I say you don't need drink.
Are you drunk? Are you okay? No, I don't understand. Say I'm not going to carry my car, Kumot. Is that what you're trying to say?
Don't stop me, make us.
Oh yeah, try it.
Come, try.
Yeah.
Don't try me. I declare so. I declare so. See.
Don't try me. Madam, please. Madam, please. Madam, please don't do, madam. Take me.
Ify. Babe. What are you doing here on my bed?
Your bed. Chike, if this is your bed, then who am I to you?
My wife, of course.
Since I'm your wife, automatically this is my bed, right?
Ify, come on. I thought we have ironed out this whole, thing. Come on, I told you. We can do such until after a white wedding, okay?
Okay. What wrong have I done? Have you not humiliated me enough? You just married me and brought me to your house. You just left me like that. The only thing you did is to bring in your ex. Then both of you are just making love. Why? Why treat me in such manner? See, if I can't stay on this bed, then no one else will. As long as we're still married.
Ify, we can't keep doing this, okay? We keep going round and round. I told you countless times that okay, fine. I'll bring the date for the white wedding very close. So that after the white wedding, we can do whatever we want to do, anyhow you want it, anywhere you want it, and come on.
Can you listen to yourself? Just listen to yourself. Chike, you're mad.
Huh?
Very mad.
Yes. Are come.
Wait. Oh, babe. See where I stay. Check them out now. See where are the camp? everywhere. See furniture.
My friend, they need some life. I trust you, shall we not send
Fire to fire.
We know
I don't want me you relent to.
No,
they give her
I
back.
didn't know that. Put it on. So what has come? I didn't.
Enjoy yourself.
Tommy. Uri. Rice and chicken.
Yes,
for me. Hey! It feels good to be in this house. You know, I was thinking it was just the fine environment I would eat. But now, with this rice, hey!
But I told you. I told you. Wait, see. Once you're done with this set, my chef will make another set of food. What is she here for? Is it not to make food?
Is this the food I just made now?
Hey, Amuchi.
Hooray.
So how is everyone in the village? Did you see my mom before coming?
My mother is doing very well.
Am I not talking to you? Why did you take the food I just made in the kitchen?
Young one. And I will make me, are you mad? When I making it.
Who is this one again? When I making it.
The thunder fire you.
Thunder fire you too.
Reduce the level.
Thunder fire you too.
The thunder reduce the level of the person. Who's the hungry child?
Who's this?
It's like you don't know I'm crazy.
Are you mad?
You didn't ask of me. Who is this person? Said? Who does she even think she is?
Did you
don't
take
even
my...
touch me while you talk?
Get it. I will leave the village.
You left my village. Show her the stuff you're doing.
Hungry friend.
Show her what you're doing.
You shouldn't have fought with her. Why do you keep making yourself uncomfortable in this house? You should have allowed me to return.
Is that why you're here? Because I need peace.
Well, came to tell you I've started marriage preparations. I registered us for a marriage course, and then we will have to do a blood test.
There's nothing wrong with me.
It is a requirement.
When do we go?
Tomorrow, if you make up your mind.
Make up my mind about what?
Listen. Continuing with this marriage. I know a lot has happened and you have every right to feel the way you feel. But I want you to know that I am deeply, deeply sorry.
Do you expect me to say something right now? You've humiliated me enough. Sad part is that I'm stuck with you forever.
I know how you feel. And I want to let you know that I am deeply sorry.
Good night.
Ify.
I said good night.
Uri, I overheard him telling her about the marriage bill. Uri, you cannot let that happen.
Are you talking about Chike?
Who else?
If it's about that one, don't worry. It's already sorted out.
I don't get how do you?
The marriage won't hold.
The marriage won't hold, but
I already discussed with Chike. I gave him an idea to work with. So just take my word for it. It won't hold. Trust me.
Uri, are you sure? Because me, I pray this marriage doesn't work. It will not even work. Because I will not let my girl lose that rich man. I will not let it happen. No. You can't even lose him.
It is a one reason.
I'm not going to know again. No.
Chike will don't care. The marriage is not going to hold.
That man is a big fish. That marriage don't feel good.
Ha! He
They look me as JJC.
They cannot know that I don't use guard.
Oh, my child. Now you become officer. My love.
What's your name again?
I'm Uche.
Amuche.
Mm-hmm.
You're not looking bad.
Hello.
Thank you so much for the compliment.
Remember your friend is around. I suggest you.
Well, I don't care about her. Nobody cares about her. Do you want me to show you a little of this?
Listen, okay. I can see your blood is hot, so I'll have to send you location later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Obviously, you are the upgraded version of your friend.
You can say that again.
I can't wait.
Yes. Please don't forget to send the location.
Because he don't red.
It's not like red.
We will paint the town red.
I understand.
Nothing
goes wrong with red.
Aha! Right on time. Please quickly fix something for us to eat. We are really hungry. How much have you know they rich?
What is the word is on?
Listen, forget about her. She'll definitely make it for you. Just forget about her.
Oh, don't worry, you are no problem. I can make it.
No, go make it.
Ifeima, what I understand here is that you're stupid and foolish. Yes, this house will not contain me and you. Oh. You need to learn that you're a married woman and you cannot stay here. Listen, if he's the one that threw you out, I can intervene and do something about it. But this one you threw yourself out. Neighbor will not contain me and you. So you better turn back and go back to your husband's house. Did you hear me?
Yeah, man. You know, this genotype idea came to my mind. And I decided to take her to the hospital for a blood test.
And I made sure we both came out AS. That's the only way to stop the wedding.
Come on, man. Ify has been pressurizing me to sleep with her. And that is the only way I can make it not work. I had to come up with this idea. You should be grateful I came up with such an idea. Oh, come on. Don't be negative right now. I hope not. But listen, you need to make it snappy. Okay? You need to make your return snappy.
Yes, I thought about other ways, but this genotype thing was the only way. Yeah. So what do you want me to do? I hope so too. But please, make your return snappy. All right? Thank you. I'll talk to you some other time, okay? Bye. Shit.
I told you now. I told you she was going to prepare something once Chike is around. You said it too. Like, I don't understand. She usually turns off the music anytime she sees me playing music or making loud noise. Oh, she didn't really do anything when she walked in on us.
Maybe she's just trying to comport herself because I'm around.
Happy. My girl. See, this is why I'm happy that you came around. See, you need to help me fight this battle. I need to kick her out. That's why I need to possess my position. That's why I'm here. Chike is mine. You.
Effiong! Madam!
Hey! Madam, God go bless you.
If you need more, just let me know.
Oh, but you young pian. God will continue to bless you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Let me go inside.
Madam, why your face there like this? Anytime where you they give me food and if I pray, you go the day happy, you go they dance, you go even they sing song. But today joy no day your face. Madam, waiting happen.
Don't worry.
Madam, I know say you know one talk, but I want to tell you that I know waiting they go on. Yes, I know the battle where you they fight for this house, and I know those that are fighting you in this house. Do you understand? But I want to tell you as a prophet, as anointed man of God, heaven will fight your battle. You see those people that are fighting you, heaven will fight them and heaven will send them away. Because the Bible says that the Egyptian we see today, we shall see them no more. John 3:16. Let the church say amen. Madam, don't worry. The Egyptian, you shall see them no more.
Effiong, if you need more, just let me know.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Madam, you're making me emotional. Which kind of car with me I get with this? Waiting, you don't turn this innocent woman into. But don't worry, my prayer will never be in vain. Amen.
So what's next? I'm asking based on medical report.
You can marry her.
I should go ahead and marry Urena.
You don't need me for anything. Just take me back to my people, then collect your bride price.
Hey, listen. I am not asking you out of my house, okay?
This is what you've always wanted. Now you've gotten it. So you should be happy.
Do not put words in my mouth. It will be so unfair if we give birth and then our children will suffer. Maybe die in the process as well. What will you think people will say?
Like I said, take me back to my people. I can't go there alone. My mom won't even accept me, so just take me back. Please.
I've been observing Ife more closely. She has been acting strange since you guys got back yesterday. Did you say anything to her?
It is none of your business.
How is it none of my business? Anyway, it's actually not my business. Because my own business is that, I am
I am horny. That is it. I am really horny. I missed you so much. I just want you to, you know.
Hey,
Let's
hey,
do it.
hey. Calm down. I am not in the mood for this, okay?
Why?
Because everyone has been dramatic in this house. And it's beginning to piss me off. I'm stressed over this whole drama.
And then whose fault is it? No, I want you to answer me. Whose fault is it? You or mine? Huh? Did you not think about this before you proceeded to getting married to her? No, you never knew drama would come up. Or you never knew we're all gonna turn up to be dramatic. You proceeded. You knew fully well that you had a girlfriend. You proceeded to get married to another girl. And you expect everything
Hey, hold it.
assuming everyone is being dramatic. No, you've not even started. Please, are we doing it or not?
Listen, I am not cut out for this cock and bull ranting, okay?
You better not be cut out for it. Because right now, me, what I'm cut out for is we really need to make out. Yes, because I'm horny. You can't leave me like this. We need to do it. Let's do it.
Gosh.
Baby, now. Let's do it. I am. Babe.
I need to use the bathroom.
What do you mean not to do that? Don't be like this. Please. Small. Let's do it.
Honestly, I was surprised Chike had to bring in a girl from the village in your presence. He has no respect for you. Why would he even do that? And I kept telling him it's the wrong thing to do. He didn't listen. See the way he's making you feel bad.
Genotype. It doesn't match.
What do you mean your genotype doesn't match?
When I found out about it, it shattered my heart.
Please don't cry. But still, it's not enough reason for Chike to bring in another woman in the house. Please don't cry, okay? I'm here for you. I don't like the way you're feeling. You're making me feel bad. Stop crying. I'm here for you. Anything you need, I'm just here for you, okay? Stop crying, please. Waitress! Get us an extra bottle, please. Don't cry, okay? Sorry. Sorry. Don't cry, okay?
Where have you been? Where did you go to? You heard me. I have been calling your phone, you refuse picking up.
Like you care.
Of course I do. If I don't care, will I be up by this time of the night? Ify.
Who is this? You have no right to call me, Amobi. You have no right to call. Why are you calling me? See, whatever we had was a mistake. You took advantage of my weakness. So please don't call me. If you keep calling me, I'll have to tell Chike. Stop disturbing my life. Don't call me again.
you frying meat like this? It's too dry now. Eh?
So at your age, you don't know how to fry meat. Why is this meat so dry? You know how I like my meat.
Uri, I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Me, I don't understand why Ify is just being unnecessarily nice to us. So, me, I'm scared of.
Nice? How?
Uri, are you asking that question? The Ify that you and I know, we have to wrestle to get this food from her. What if there's poison in this food?
Da, shut up there. Da, come on there.
Osimpa.
Wait till they talk. What are you saying? Ify, poison us? How? Come on now. Ify is a nice girl. And she will always be a nice girl. She can't think of something like that. Why would she poison us? Please.
Wait, I don't understand. It's like you have one antidote here that you're not telling me. Because how can you be eating this food freely?
Why can't I eat food freely in this house?
Oh, you're eating.
How would you even think Ify would want to poison us? Why? What would she get? Eh?
What's going on? I've never felt like this before. Does it mean that I'm pregnant? Am I pregnant? I can't be pregnant.
She tell you got her pregnant.
That is the problem. She didn't. What am I going to do now? What am I supposed to tell Desmond?
You just have to relax, okay? Just try and relax. You have to relax.
If he betrayed me, if he disappointed me, you know, I would have sent her back to the village when I had the chance, but I didn't. Now look at it. She's pregnant for a total stranger, a man I don't know about. Oh, I didn't see that one coming.
Just relax, okay? Just relax. Okay?
What's it going? Ah!
Who is that?
Desmond. What am I going to tell you now?
Wait, just answer it. Just answer it first. Just relax.
And say what to him?
Just answer the call first. Ask no more.
Hey, Desmond, what's up? Yeah, how is it going over there? You're what? He's coming back next week. You're coming back next week? Oh, no, I'm not surprised. It's just that, it took me by, it's okay.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm going back to my mother.
Thought your mother warned you to not return home.
I have brought shame and dishonor to myself and my family.
And you think they'll welcome you with open arms?
Do I have a choice? Chiki, what have you not taken from me? Is it my dignity as a woman?
I haven't taken anything from you. Change your mindset. Meanwhile, I came to tell you, you need to get rid of that unwanted pregnancy.
I will do no such thing.
You cannot keep a child you do not know the father.
I know the father of my baby.
Who is the father? What are you doing in my room?
I have something to tell you.
I am not in the mood for stories.
I have something important to tell you.
I said this is not the perfect time.
I'm pregnant.
What? Are you for real?
How can you ask me that kind of question? I'm pregnant and it's for you.
He's not picking his calls. I think it's best I go to his house. Let me just drive straight to his house. Let's drive straight to his house.
Time may go by, but this love can never fade away. Time may go by, but this love cannot fade away. Oh baby, this your beautiful heart is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one.
So Amuche, this is how you are. Amuche, you a betrayer. Amuche, you a cheap slut, a very local slut. Look at you. So I brought you into my boyfriend's house and you have the guts to sleep with him, eh? And you think I'll allow it slide? You think I will allow it slide, eh?
As who? As who? Just look at yourself. You're talking about betrayal. Coming from someone who hugs her body when her boyfriend is not around. Let me tell you something. Chike is a national moimoi. You see that moimoi, I will take my share.
It is that moimoi that will kill you.
Kill you too.
Amuche, that moimoi will kill you. Amuche, you're leaving this house.
Which house?
You're leaving this house.
This house.
You will leave this house.
Is this your father's house?
You will leave this house.
I will not
today.
leave this. Is this your house?
You will leave this house.
I will not leave this house.
I will not. Amuche, I never knew you were like this. Amuche, you don't want it to be. Amuche,
Who's this one?
This one I don't find I want to. I don't think you don't move for you one. Okay, you get person where they outside. The man they very very fair. If you look at him very good, he can't they like albino, but no be albino. In the name na Desmond. Desmond. Yes.
You said it's urgent. What's going on?
I'm pregnant.
Have you told Chike about it?
He is not the father of my child. You are.
Then you have to get rid of it.
What?
You know Chike is my friend now. You can't have a baby for me. Chike is my friend and you know that.
I'm getting a divorce. Besides, Chike and I are genetically unmatched. So that makes me free to marry you.
That doesn't solve this. Chike is my friend and you know.
I've made my points clear. Just so you know.
Hey, come on. Ify, what's going on here?
She wanted to do their work. Everything is okay.
You should have told me.
He is the father of my child.
What did you just say?
He is responsible for my pregnancy.
Amobi.
Chike, I can explain.
You?
Chike, please, I can explain.
He?
Chike, I can explain.
Amobi.
Chike,
You stepped to that. Huh? Want me to kill you? Are you mad? What do you think you did? Eh? Are you mad? Are you mad? What's up?
What is it? You're back. You're back and I should be happy. Crying, laughing, or maybe I should throw a party for you. Desmond, what are you doing here? Because you're not supposed to be here in the first place. Oh, okay, wait. Maybe you've come back to see how miserable my life is after you abandoned me and let another man get married to me. Right? That's it. You're sorry. You're sorry. Because coming back and just saying I'm sorry will take away the years of pain and shame. I'm pregnant.
Don't! Hey, tell me that bullshit. So this is you. This is who you are.
I was gonna tell you about it.
This is who you are. I left my woman for you and you betrayed me and got her pregnant.
Calm down, Desmond. Calm down.
What do you mean calm down? Why should I calm down?
Okay. Listen. I told you. Ify has been so mad at me. She stopped talking to me. You know, ever since we got married, I refused sleeping with her, and that led her into depression. Then my friend came from nowhere, took advantage of the whole situation, and got her pregnant. It was my friend that got Ify pregnant, not me.
Your friend got her pregnant?
Yes. Amobi got her pregnant.
So, who's that?
So, it is all a lie. This marriage is a prank. You used me just to achieve your aim. You messed my life up.
So how is she?
She will live.
How?
And who is she to you?
I am her husband.
He is her husband.
Yes, I'm her husband.
Well, anyway, she lost a lot of blood and will be needing transfusion.
Oh, that's fine. I've donated for her before. I can.
Okay, that makes you the right donor. So we'll conduct some tests, then the transfusion will commence immediately.
Oh, that's fine. Can we do that now? Okay. I should come with you, right?
I want you to leave my house.
Baby, come on now. Eh? My love. If it's because of Amiji, I've already sent her back and she can't be an obstacle now.
I said gather your things and use the door. Get out of my house.
Babe, I know she's pregnant, right? I can as well get pregnant for you. You know I can.
Shut it! Leave my house! I don't want to see you here in the next 2 minutes.
Please. Baby, let me take it for you. I can do it for you.
You're awake.
Who am I?
Easy. You're in the hospital. You had an accident, so we brought you here. You lost a lot of blood. It is a good thing that I was able to donate.
Why are you here? And why are you back to my life?
Please, I'm very sorry for what happened. Should I say I didn't think it through properly before doing that. I only asked Chike to keep you for me, or more like preserving you, you know.
And you didn't tell me about it.
That's the major mistake I did.
Desmond, you looked me in the face and said it was over, that I should go ahead and marry anybody I want to. Only for you to show and say it's a prank. My life, it's a prank to you, right? I would never do that to you.
I'm sorry. I know that was really, really unreasonable. But I'm back. I waited. I toyed. I did everything to make sure the reason I left you was achieved. I'm sorry.
You know what? Just go. Get out. Just go.
Please, I'm sorry.
Please.
Just go.
Please, I'm sorry.
Doctor!
No, you don't need to
Just
call.
go! Doctor! Just go!
I'll leave.
Go! Go!
Don't stress, I'll leave.
Just go! Go!
Where can they come? Give me also one to talk about for home. Open that.
Sorry, what is it?
You, what does it do?
I don't understand. What is this?
I don't understand. Where do you think you are going to?
I'm going to the house now.
Which house?
Please, Chief, let me.
You cannot enter here now. I say you cannot enter. You just the drag with me.
Says who?
Says me, the security. My friend, stand here. Wait first. I didn't tell you say you nothing enter here. I didn't show power with the security. How dare you?
Efio!
Oga.
Oh my Lord.
What's going on there?
Oga, she won't enter. Tell am say she not supposed to enter. She won't come show power with me, Oga.
Oh my baby. I don't know what this stupid little man brought me in.
And what have you come here to do?
Oh my lover.
Hey, hold it. Speak.
I went to the village to bring my things and everything I'll be needing to come stay with you, baby.
And you couldn't call me on the phone before coming with your luggage?
Why should I?
Why wouldn't you?
Look, baby, I'm carrying your child, so I came to stay with you.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
Well, I suggest you go back to your parents' house. We'll talk on the phone on how we're going to take care of you and the baby.
No, that's definitely not going to happen. Go back to my parents' house to do what? I have already visioned myself in this house as your wife. I'm here to enjoy everything that girl has been enjoying.
Well, that your vision will not be realistic. Go back to your parents' house and continue dreaming there. Do you understand?
Baby, do not forget I'm carrying your child.
Are you listening to me? I am not ready to live in this house with anyone. Do you understand?
Okay. I don't want to believe this is about Ify. Because if this energy you're trying to pour on me is about her, it's a total waste of time. Her guy is in town, so just get ready to divorce her and get married to me.
Well, let me bust your bubbles. Ify was never my wife. Technically, yes, she was, but I kept her here just to secure her for my friend Desmond. But now he's back. So you see, I am not ready to get married. Do you understand? Take your luggage and vamoose.
Oh, okay, wait. But can I live with you at least?
Oh, you're beginning to piss me off. F Young!
You know what to do.
Chike,
Hey! You know what to do.
Chike, I'm carrying your child. I'm carrying what? What? Come on, this way. No, bring my child. Oh, Chike, look at this guy. Before the living. Oh!
Yeah, wait. This man get power.
Hey!
I overpower.
Hey, what's going on here? Ifewa, why are you back? Did I not tell you not to return no matter what? Eh? Okuna Fugo, what is wrong with this one? I made it very clear to you never to return this house no matter what, even if you're having issues with your husband. Ifewa, are you not the one I'm talking to? Ifewa.
Onyekwa. Hey, onye ka mfu? Ọnwa nwoke.
Mama.
Dole. Ọnwa nwoke. Are you for? Lekwe na anya. Hey! You are welcome back, my son.
Mama.
You are welcome back.
Mama, this is a sign that your son has made money.
Hey! Thank you, God, for bringing my son back to me.
Yes, sir.
In one piece. Looking ever handsome. Healthy. Hey! DK. Oh, wow. What you put? Odogu Namu. Please,
Wait, let me pick the money my son sprayed me.
Oh, no,
hey,
Mama,
my son sprayed me money. Nah, Chokwe, because wait. Hey, wait now. Hey, Chimo. Hey, look at money.
You mean Chike played a prank on you? Eh?
Mama, Desmond told Chike to marry me and keep me for him.
And Desmond told you about this and you agreed to it?
Told who?
Eh?
Mama, they didn't tell me anything. They planned all this behind my back. All Chike was doing was to leave me, deprive me of sex, love, and all that. He was always bringing his ex to the house, making love to her, and would leave me in the room. Mama, I have never been so humiliated like this all my life. All because he planned something with Desmond.
What sort of stupid prank is this? How dare he play with your emotions? So how did you find out?
Desmond returned and revealed everything.
So you mean that fool is back? That idiot is back?
Mama, he's so rich now.
Oh, well, I don't care if he's rich. Why would he play with my daughter's emotion like that? I will not take it. Listen, my dear daughter. I know all this is my fault. If I hadn't pressured you into being married, I don't think all these things will happen. Please, Mom, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am sorry. I don't mean it.
It's okay, Mama. It's fine. Oh, it's okay.
I don't know you've been suffering like this, honestly.
I knew it. I knew it was an insane decision. And I urged you not to do it. Huh? I pleaded with you, Desmond. Now look at what you have cost yourself.
Mama, the truth is that you told me. But the deed has been done. So what we should be concentrating right now is the way forward. Okay? Because it wasn't really my intention to live like that. I left because something needs to be done. I left because we need money in this family. So it's not like I just decided to leave. So what we should be talking about now is the way forward. How to, amend what has happened. And we'll move forward.
I don't know. I don't know what we are going to do about it. If you were Ify, would you have accepted an apology from someone like you after what you did to her?
Mama, what you have to understand is I didn't just do it. Alright? You know the whole story behind my trip. I left this village to go and hustle for money. It's money that I went to hustle. The money that when I make it tomorrow is for the both of us. I didn't just live like that. Though I made a mistake by going through that route, but like I said, it's something we need to correct. Even you can put a mouth and beg her. Because this whole thing is because of her in the first place. So it feels bad that I came back and this is not working.
I don't think I can do that, honestly. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do exactly.
Oh, that means you've not forgiven me now. You've not forgiven me. You've forgiven me.
Of course. I'm really angry with you. I'm really very angry with you.
What are you doing here?
My love, please.
Mama! Mama! Yeah, go.
Mama?
Yes. What is he doing here? May you choke with that greeting. What are you doing here?
Mama, tell Desmond to leave this compound right now.
Why would Mama
say such a thing.
Did
My
you
love,
hear that?
Calm down.
No, my daughter has spoken. Mwa, leave my house.
Mama, please. Mama,
leave my house!
Mama, please, calm down.
Calm down for what?
I know you're angry. I understand. No one is disputing that.
Mama, are you still listening to him?
Tell him to leave! No, I am calm. I'm calm. Why you... Walu, where you?
Mama.
Come on, to whoever is up. I love to do on whoever. I'm on power. Can you imagine this fool? He has the guts to even enter my compound. Hey, Guato! Come quiet about. I'm not fear. And you allowed him. Are you sure you don't want to stay with me for some time here in the village? Eh? I promise to keep him out of your sight. And he will never step his foot into this compound. Eh? And if he tries to stop you on the way, I will report him to Igwe or get him arrested.
Let me just go to my house. I'm not far from this village. Let me clear my head now. I don't want anything that will remind me of anything that has happened. I also don't want to see him anymore or get close to him. Let me just travel. Let me clear my head.
Just supported me. I support you on this one.
Hey, Mama, please don't do this to me.
Mama,
don't do this to
if
me.
she's not here with you, just leave me to kill myself. There's nothing I'm leaving.
Hey, please, my son. I beg you. I beg of you, my son, please. Hey, Desmond. No. See, you don't have to do this to yourself, please. Come down. Thank God, my daughter. You came on time. You don't have to kill yourself. It's okay. I forgive you.
I'm so sorry. I've been trying to tell you how sorry I am. I took a very stupid decision. But what I did was uncalled for. But the truth is, I really don't know what came over me.
It's okay. I remember I was humiliated, disappointed, rejected. I almost took my life. But I could have waited for you. I could have damped the consequences and waited for you because I couldn't bear being with another person. But it's fine. I forgive you.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Will you marry me? I will be the happiest man.
Yes. I'll marry. Hey, thank you, God. Thank you. Hey, my children. Oh, thank you, God. Hey. Thank you, God. My children. My children.
Time may go by, but this love can never fade away. Oh, baby, time may go by, oh, but this love cannot fade away. Oh, baby, this your beautiful heart is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. In your heart, baby, more is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. You see this in your heart, is where I will forever stay. I will wait for the day me and you go become one. I believe in you, baby, more. I believe our love will go conquer. No matter the weather, no matter the pressure, you and I forever. Oh,